Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. We go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real, genuine. This is my real trades, my real money. As you can see, the markets are pumping again today on my portfolio. Arrival earnings, we just covered it, and we'll discuss it coming up in today's show. So let's get straight into our trades and show you exactly where we are. This is where we are this morning. The S&P is looking pretty good. The overall portfolio, I'll show. The overall portfolio is looking good here, as you can see. Looking nice today. We're up 0.6, $256, $264 as we speak. It's still climbing, 43,000. There it goes, and looking good. And let's go into all our stocks and discuss our stocks this morning. Okay, here we go. We've got Vanguard S&P is up 0.56. We've got Virgin Galactic to break $8 today. That is my prediction for Virgin Galactic. So looking very strong this morning. It's reacting very, very well. So we're very, very happy with that. So welcome everybody. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you are here. Give us a thumbs up and come into the live chat. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello everybody over there on TikTok. Tomorrow is our big cash prize giveaway. We do it every single Friday. If you want to be in our cash prize draw, come and join us over on YouTube. Links in the profile. Come and join us. We do it every single Friday. We're trying to be the best YouTube channels and TikTok channels in the world. We have two. We have the music, we have the money, together all underpinned with love and commitment. I'm live every work day, and I'm live up to 10 hours a day as well. So it's very, very busy channel. We're here to help people. We've raised over $1 million for our charities, and we give free money away all the time. We love helping people, not scammers, not lazy people, but people that actually want to grow their wealth and be independent. We're here for you. We want to help you. It doesn't cost you anything. It's free. To be in our draws is free. It's just being part of our family, which is free. Click the icon here and come into the main YouTube channel. The links are all there. Come and join us. Right, I'm going to go back to my YouTube show, which is this right now. Okay, good morning, Finn Paul. Good morning to you. How are you this morning? Let me put you on the screen. There you go. Lovely to have you with me. Thanks for joining us. Virgin Galactic is now 712. The overall Virgin Orbit is up today 1.8. Tesla is up 1.11 at the moment. Rivian is up. Their earnings is tonight. Let's hope Rivian earnings is better than Arrival. We knew that was coming, but that's why I didn't buy any more. I've held my position. German time, not in the morning. For you, it's the afternoon, right? So how was the earnings? Not good at all, and you will see it later on this afternoon. Well, after this show, I will post the Q&A of the earnings. Had to clock into work. All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Church of Logic. Polestar is up 0.31. Arrival had an awful earnings. It's down 10%. I'm still up 2% on it. I'm not buying any more. They are running out of money. I'm not concerned, no, but I'm not buying any more. I'm still up on it. I just wouldn't add to it. I don't need to add to it. That money has to pay its way. I'm not going to buy it if it goes any lower. There's no need. If it goes any lower, it'll go bust. So there you go. I've got it at the bottom, 163. It could go a bit lower, but not much. Exactly. There's no reason to buy any more. In my opinion, for my portfolio, I'm holding it. I'm not selling it. It's only 0.99 of my portfolio, and I'm fine with that. Anyway, Amazon is up 0.78 today. Of course, Amazon will do well if Arrival do well. So we're looking into that tonight. Sorry, Rivian tonight after hours. Apple is up fantastic, 0.53. We've got the dividends paying out today as well. Very, very exciting. I've got dividends coming out tonight. Let me have a look at that. This morning actually, dividends coming out for Div, which is one of my ETFs, dividend stocks, and dividend ETFs, SDIV as well. Super dividend, and Apple. It will be paying out today, and it's going to be reinvested. All right, that's August 11th today at the bell. I will be reinvesting with Apple. I've got, how many? 23 cents a share. I have, as you can see on the screen, 26, which is $6. $6 of free money. I'll take it. And that'll give me a nice little boost on my Apple. So you'll see my 26.14. That'll go up. And we'll look at that on the bell. We'll see that happen. All right, I'm short today on BTC, Bitcoin. Yes, let's go and look at crypto right now. Ethereum's having a massive run at the moment, but I still have a bucket to collect it all. I do believe it's going to go down, and when it does, I'll buy it cheap. Bitcoin SV is up. Bitcoin is up. I'm up 25% on it. Got a very small position. I'm waiting to buy it lower, and let's see what happens. Anyway, back to the main portfolio. I think a big shock is coming. I think a big shock for crypto is coming. I'm very happy with my portfolio though. But yeah, I do agree that Bitcoin and all of that stuff is about to collapse. And it will go up again, but it needs to rinse out and get rid of a few more dodgy coins and a few more dodgy systems. Anyway, there's my portfolio right now, up nearly another %. Let's have a look at it now over the day. Over the week, we've got 3.68%. We had a good week last week. But over the month, we are up 19.56. And we're also up over 3 months. So very, very good. Very, very good. Very, very happy with all this. But as you can see, we want to do a little bit better today to get the week sorted. That's what we want. And we will. I'm sure we will today. This bear market rally, which it is, a lot of people are debating, are we in a bull market? We are not in a bull market. We're in a bear market rally. But I see great things ahead. And I believe I've spoken to a lot of technical people, and they believe, like me, that this is going to run for quite a while. Let me just improve this quality for TikTok. Right, let me just improve the quality for TikTok. Here it comes. Let me just increase the quality for you. There it is. There you go. Is that better? Want to bring the best quality to everyone. There you go, so you can see all the details. Now then, the call is still live at the day trader because it was bad you don't. The call is still live at the day trader because it was that bad you don't want to listen. The call is still live at the day trader. Guess it was that bad you don't want to listen. No, the call's finished. The call was finished. Church of Logic, the call has finished. There is no call. The call is finished. You're probably watching it on a delay. No, it's finished. The earnings call. No, it's finished. I've just been there, done it, finished it. It's ended. The call isn't going. I ran the call and then I ended the show, and then I started this show. And later on this afternoon, I will edit it and put it out. After I finish here this morning, I will put it out as a video by itself, and it will be the replay. So there you go. Anyway, Virgin Galactic, my prediction is $8. I'm so sorry for our friend Rob Brennan, who made one of the biggest mistakes you can make with a portfolio. He went all in on one stock. It was set. Oh, I see on Robinhood. Sorry, I see. That's all right. No worries at all. He went all in, and of course, it was set at a margin call. If the stock dropped by a few percent, very, very extremely risky way of doing it. And of course, it did drop. We all knew it would. I said it could go to $4, and unfortunately for him, he got put out of the market. Very painful lesson, but you only ever learn from painful lessons. It's the best thing. Even though it's hard now, it's like taking a tablet, a pill. It'll make you better. It's difficult, but there we go. I always hate looking at it now. It takes off the edge for me. Anyway, Tesla about to hit 900 and going to 1,000 before the split. We've also got Rio Tinto as well. Rio Tinto. Let's get Rio Tinto into the show. Rio Tinto. Rio Tinto. Today is the last day if you wanted the amazing dividend. That's today. So if you did, today is the day you need to be in on that stock. So there you go. That's coming up today. Let me just add an extra tab here. Rio, I want to go to VU. I just closed the wrong tab. I want to open that up again. There we go. That's better. There we go. There we go. Rio Tinto. Elon Musk dumped 6.9 billion Tesla shares ahead of Twitter trial. Yeah, that was a few days ago, Sam, that happened. And it didn't actually affect the Tesla chart at all. In fact, it continues to climb because he's every intention of buying back in. He did it to protect Tesla, not to have an emergency sale. So that was what that was all about. So there's no issue with that whatsoever. I'm not concerned about that. Well, I'm not concerned because I don't deal with stress and drama. Earnings today on arrival wasn't great because a delay of deliveries and parts constraints, supply constraints, which we knew the UK is in all kinds of trouble right now. It's behind the US. It'll get better, but it's behind at the moment. So Arrival still got the vision, but they are running out of money. So it's not a time to buy anymore, not for me. I own enough, that's fine, because this can 10x. Arrival can still 10x when it starts delivering on its products. So I'm not buying anymore. I'm not worried. I'm still up on my investment anyway, so I'm not concerned. I wouldn't buy any more because if it goes dramatically lower than this, then it's run out of money. So I'm not worried. I'm just holding it, and that's my position on Arrival. But it wasn't a great earnings for them. But again, same thing. That what they're doing is great. It just takes time, and they need to get it completed. It's hard when you're running out of money. How's Hood doing? Robinhood, let's have a little look. Robinhood is up 4% today. I'm up 10% overall. I wanted to buy some more. The dip never came with Robinhood, I'm afraid. I'm not selling this. It's not worth selling. I'm only up $10, but it is 9%. Robinhood is one of those shares that in the future could be, a $70 share in the future, 5 years down the line. I'm waiting for some drops to buy it. I'm not going to pay any more for it. I'm not going to chase the market. Moderna CEO, Church of Logic, says COVID vaccines will evolve like an iPhone. There we go. No doubt about it. It's like the flu. COVID vaccines are like the flu, but different every year. And I totally understand that. They will update COVID vaccines all the time. No surprise there. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. How are you all this morning? Thanks for joining us. We've just done the Arrival earnings. Was disappointing, but the market is doing very, very well today. My overall portfolio, I will share with you. There you go. My overall portfolio is up today 1%. $434 and rising all the time. Good morning, Nate Miller. How are you this morning? Wonderful to have you. We were just talking SPCE. It's going to go all the way back up to $8, and then it will touch $10, and then the $100 will still happen. No surprise at all. Gas price tumble below £4 for the first time in $4 first time in months. Yep. No surprise there. We knew that gas prices would fall. Commodities have fallen. The CPI rate has fallen. It's great news. It's great news for everyone. And it will affect the UK probably in a couple of months' time. They're behind the US right now. I'm great. I gained 1,800 yesterday. Was a record for me. Fantastic, Nate. Wonderful stuff indeed. How are you, by the way? Lovely to have you here. We need to do some more promoting of your channel. I see you're still a member, which is great. I want to do some more work promoting your channel and helping you grow. Any way I can. There's so much I can do to help your channel if you wish to grow your YouTube channel. Anyway, let's go back and go through. Rio Tinto is up. Last day to get the dividends today. Vanguard S&P, I'm up now 6.5% on the S&P. Absolutely fantastic. I'll never be in red again on S&P. Virgin Galactic is going to go to $8. Virgin Orbit is up today, $3.95. Tesla will touch $900 a day. Should have done it yesterday. It will do it today. The Rivian is going up. We got up 4%, doing very, very nicely. And Amazon is also supporting it as well. You can see Amazon is up as well today. If Amazon does well, Rivian does well. Rivian does well, Amazon does well. They're both a little bit connected. Arrival had a disastrous earnings. It is running out of money, and it's pushing back delays. But at the end of the day, I'm still up. I'm not buying any more. If that goes down lower, I will not buy any more. I will not put any more money into it. I've got enough there, and that is it. If it goes any lower, it's in all kinds of bother. All right? It's been going sideways up for 3 months, look, you can see. But this is it. This is the bottom. If it goes below this, I don't care. I don't care how cheap it goes. I'm not buying any more. That, to me, is cheap enough. All right? Tough time for Japan markets. Yes, I saw that. The Japan index stock market is all kinds of problems right now. I've noticed that this morning. Amazon is having an amazing day, by the way. I'm up 17% on Amazon. Let's go to the other end of our scale, and Ethereum. Ethereum has got all the news, of course. We know all about it. But in a couple of days' time, I do see it all crashing down, though. Once everything goes through and it peaks and people take profits, a lot of retail investors need to make some money. And they're aware that a lot of people are predicting a crash. So, I think when Bitcoin hits 26, you'll see some sell-offs. I don't know. What do I know? Just a guy on YouTube. But that's what I think is going to happen. That's why I'm not jumping all over this. I'm certainly not going to run it up because it's, it's going up. I always buy stuff when it's on sale, not when it's pumping. That, to me, just sounds ridiculous. Enphase Energy up 1.4. I'm up 71% on Enphase Energy. Can you believe it? Absolutely fantastic. Ginkgo Bioworks up 2.24. I'm back in the green again. Tilray Brands up 2.71. Great, up 10%. Remember, I was down 24% on this recently. Very, very good. On is up 1.21. Semiconductors, of course, I'm up 30% on this position now. Great. Really, really good. Canoe going back up again. They had a tough earnings. This is what will happen to Arrival. This is what will happen to Arrival. If you remember, Canoe fell off with the earnings. This is what will happen with Arrival. Canoe fell down because of delays, so on, same thing. Reinvesting in what they're doing, and Canoe has now come back up, and I'm back in the green again. So that's what will happen in time in the next week or so with Arrival, I'm sure. Tesco is up 2% today. Target is up 1% today. Great earnings, 14%. Up now on Target. Very, very nice. Very, very, very good profit plus the dividends. All right. Walmart is up 5.8 overall. Great. And great earnings. Rolls-Royce up 1.98. I'm trying to get out of this stock. PayPal is over $100. It's broke the $100, up 34%. Now, a lot of people were concerned by PayPal because people at some of the insiders, people who, the directors and so on and so forth at the company sold massive amounts of shares. Very often people go, when that happens, when insiders sell, then it's not good for the stock. Not always. Not always. Doesn't necessarily mean that. It's a very complex subject. All right. But anyway, as you can see, it's up. Despite all of that, gone through $100. I'm up 33%. I've only got 5 shares. Not much, but that's fine. I'm not chasing it. IonQ is up 3% right now today, and I'm up 20%. SoFi is having a great day. I'm up 16% on SoFi, and that is up 4% today. Meta is up 1% today. I'm up nearly 8% on it overall. PayPal upsets me because I sold at 80, and I should have known it would go back up. Yes, PayPal has got a lot as a great future. I've got no issue with owning PayPal at these prices. And you've got another value of it, not the price of it. For me, the value of this stock, it's a bargain at $75, in my opinion. Will I chase it? No. I was down 40%. I got mad. Yeah, that's the problem. Never ever get mad with the stock. That's what I used to do. That's what got me margin called when I got mad with stock. 43,000 now. We're at 1.15, 494. Looking very nice indeed. I like that. Okay, back to our stocks, going through IonQ, we covered that one. SoFi, we covered that one. Meta, we covered that. Microsoft, up today, 0.71. I'm up nearly 13% now. Google, I love this. I've got a nice position in Google now, 12 shares of Google. It makes up 2% of my portfolio, about right. Would like a bit more. Up 10% overall. Very, very nice indeed. I've got a limit order to buy a lot of these stocks if they had a lightning crash, a fire sale. Johnson & Johnson, very disappointing with Johnson & Johnson. Down 4% right now, down 4%. Now remember, this is a very, very good dividend. I like this one. I like the company. I like what it does. Let's have a look at it today. Let's go over the week. Let's go over the month. Over 3 months. This isn't a bad time to buy, actually. It's not a bad time to buy. Yep. Not a bad time to buy, actually, for Johnson & Johnson. It's been steadily falling down. When are they reporting again? It's a buy and a hold. It's never a sell. October 18, their next earnings. As you can see, they're always very, very static. That's why they're not a growth stock. They have grown over 5 years, but they are at the bottom of their cycle at the moment. You can see it always cycles, but always trends up overall. It's a good place to park your money. It's not a fast growth, but it does give you a steady dividend. And we'll always need what Johnson & Johnson provides. This is a very good stock to own. It's down 4%. If I doubled up and spent $1,400 to get to 16, I would halve my loss from 4 to 2. It's not a bad idea. Good stash stock, J&J, doesn't go too far up or down. That's right. I call it a place to park my money. And by the way, update on my overall portfolio, up 1.28. Absolutely incredible. We're about to hit 44,000. I would say 166 is a buy-in. Well, to be honest with you, I don't really care. 166, 168, 168, 166. People looking at charts and they'll buy in and it'll go up, so you miss it. So I don't mind. I don't really care. I don't look at the chart like that because that's what everybody else will do. And then by the time you do it, it's gone up. 168 at the end of the day, I've got an average of 175. I quite like that, if I'm honest. How's Disney looking? I'll have a look for you in a minute, Sam. I have to prioritise the members at the moment. If I get 5 minutes, I'll look at it. But I have to focus on the members. Johnson & Johnson, what do you think? So Church of Logic, what do you think? You say 166. Very close to that, you know. I mean, if we look at it now, it's a heck of a drop this morning. That's unusual for Johnson & Johnson. If you look at it, that is an opportunity. That is an opportunity, I think. It's at the bottom of its cycle. Look at that. It might get cheaper, but the dividends are solid with this stock. Buy and hold. It's, yeah. Let me look at the history of this stock. Let me look at my history with the stock. Have I had any dividends pay out yet? Buy, 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 sell, 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 buy. I'm looking for the... Oh, there we go. Dividends. December 17th. December, January, March, April, May, June. Yeah, $15, $15. May, June. Didn't, when was dividend paid out? When is the next dividend due? Let's look. News on J&J. Yeah, let's have a look. When's the next dividend payable on Church of Logic? If you could let me know, when is the next dividend payout due? I'm looking at buying that. J&J is a robust generator of free cash flow with a healthy balance sheet. I know. At the end of the year, the end of our fair value estimate of Johnson & Johnson derived through our enterprise cash flow analysis process sits at 222 per share. When's the next dividend, Church? It's down 3.87. I like it. I think it's hit a buy for me. If you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring about August 22. August 22. And when's the cutoff? When's the ex-dividend date? When's the cutoff, Mike? Can you find me the cutoff? When's the cutoff? What day do I need to be in the stock to get the dividend? I'm looking at that. September 6th. Oh, you got to be in by August the 22nd, and it pays September the 6th. Okay. July 18th. August 22, August 22, August 23. Okay. Right. Buy. Limit order. 168. 80. I need to just allow something there. Shares. How many have I got? 8. Good for the day. Good for the day. Allow. Buy Johnson Johnson, 168.80. Right. 168.74. I've just bought. Okay. I've just doubled up. I've now got a drop of 2%. I like that. I think that's a very, very important stock to own. I'm very happy with that. I've now got a 2% loss on Johnson Johnson. Was down from 4% to 2%. And I just bought it for 168.74. Okay, 168.74. There you go. So there you go. I'm happy with that. I've now got a 2% loss on Johnson & Johnson. I'm happy. That goes with my Coke. Johnson & Johnson and Coke. Two stocks there that both pay good dividends. There you go. I would sell a rival and buy more. No, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Let me go over to my main portfolio. There we go. Whoa, look at that. This is good. Johnson & Johnson could do all right today. So anyway, that to me, that was a good, I feel really good about that. I feel really good. I love the company. I love what they do. They got their fingers in everything. And you got good dividends. You got reliable company, good balance sheet, ain't going anywhere. You'll hit 45,000 today. Do you think so? Do you think so? We'll see. Anything now is a blessing, to be honest with you. Anything now is just great. FinPool numbers. So you have a few weeks. Numbers on what? You just message, you just comment numbers. I need to know a bit more than just the word numbers. Rio Tinto up 1.41. Vanguard S&P up 0.72. And remember, the S&P has got Johnson & Johnson in it anyway, just by the way. Virgin Galactic could hit $8 today. $900 for Tesla. It's going to 1,000, no doubt about it. Stock split round the corner. It's got to be good. Oh, man. And I got my dividends today as well. I got dividends going back into Apple today. It's only $6, but hey, I'm not sure why Disney is surging. It's trying to replace Netflix. I've always said Netflix has nothing proprietary. Disney and Apple and Amazon does. 887-888. Here we go. It's going to hit $900. If it goes through 900, just watch it go to 1,000. I'm just saying, psychologically, retail investors will be all over that. Strong earnings. Can you check Comcast, please? Yes, I can. I have to focus on the members at Sam at the moment. That's why they're members. Comcast. Let's have a look. Comcast is up 0.28 today. Let's have a look over the week. It's been pretty flat all week, actually, 1.4. Park visits are up too. Yes, they are, of course. Let's have a look. And there we go. Estimated 92. They actually up. That they beat earnings as well. Very good in Q2. Very, very good. Comcast looking pretty good. Nice. You're very, very welcome, Church. Let's have a little look now for Sam as I have a second. Disney. Let's have a quick look for Disney right now. Up 9%. Let's have a look at it. That's at the bottom of its curve here. If you bought it for $99, you did very well. I owned it for a while, but I like Disney. Disney's great, but I've got money in other things. I don't need to own Disney anymore. It doesn't pay a dividend. It's just a growth stock, and the growth is just not that great. It's a good place to park your money. It's not going anywhere, but yeah, nice. Very, very nice indeed. Plug absolutely popped yesterday. You're in a good mood, are you? Everyone likes making money. Funny that. You want to look at my overall portfolio? There it is, 43,740. Very nice indeed. I just doubled up my Johnson & Johnson, by the way. In case anyone's interested in that, I just doubled it up. Rio Tinto looking very nice. Last day before the dividends. Vanguard S&P is up. I'm up 6% now on the S&P 500. Brilliant. I bought it when it's 50% down. Virgin Galactic could break $8 today. Virgin Orbit. Right, we're running out of time. We've got day trader of the day. We've got all sorts happening today. I need to run a quick commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds time. Here we go. And we are back. We are back once again. All right. Let's have a quick look at where we are this morning. Mark Cuban has been sued for allegedly prompting bankrupt crypto. Yeah, I know he has. He's a naughty boy. Lending platform Voyager Digital and BlackRock launches private trust, offering clients exposure to spot Bitcoin. Thank you, Paul B, for that information. Paul B has been sued. Sorry, Paul B has been sued. Mark Cuban, I apologise for that. I apologise for that. Oh my God, I can't believe what I just said then. Anyway, never mind. Never mind, you forgive me, right? Okay, fantastic. Let's get ready to go today. Now then, we've got some breaking news for you. Very exciting news. You all know a big star on YouTube, of course, is Greg Dickerson. He came on the show when we were at 2,000 subscribers, something like that, and he said he would come back when I reached 5,000. I bet he didn't think it would just be a few months later. Well, look at the number right now. 4,248. We're doing very, very nicely indeed. We're very excited about that. So not long now before we get Greg back on the show. It was our biggest show at the time. We had our biggest number. Since then, we've had bigger shows, but at the time, it was a record-breaking show, and we were very, very excited about it. Anyway, thank you, Greg, for agreeing to come back onto our show. Look forward to that. Right, let's get back into our positions right now. Virgin Orbit. I just bought. Tesla is about to go 900, and once it does, it'll go all the way back to 1,000. I've got no doubt about it. I just bought more J&J. For those of you who didn't see me do it, I often get accused of not day trading. Well, I bought something. I'm not going to sell it, though, so if you're going to be very disappointed if you want me to sell it today. But I bought Johnson & Johnson today. I doubled up my position. I like the company, like what it's doing. The balance sheet is great. It's a safe place to park money. It doesn't make a lot of money, but the dividends are good, and the growth is at the bottom of its curve right now, and it's all about price restraint. It's all about inflation and price restraints, which we know now in the US has peaked. We know things are going to get better. So this is a good time to get into J&J, in my opinion, and that's all it is. I've turned a 4% loss on J&J to 2%, and I am happy with that because over history you can see it always ripples up and down and heads upwards. The trend, if you're a chart reader, you'll see a trend line running through there, and I like it. So it pays a good dividend, and they've got dividends coming out soon, so I'm excited about it. Right, and talking of dividends, by the way, I've got Apple about to pay out as well. I've got Apple paying out this morning only $6, but $6 is $6 of free money, and it's going to be straight reinvested without me touching the sides. There'll be no capital. There'll be no capital gains or tax to pay on it. It'll go straight in. You're allowed to earn so much money a year on dividends. Rivian is up today. 3.88. We're reporting it after hours tonight. Lucid up 1.32. Polestar up 0.3. Arrival. Disappointing earnings, delays. We knew about the delays, but I'm still up nearly 3%. I'm not buying any more. I'm holding. I don't need to buy any more. If it goes any lower, I won't buy any more. There's no point. If it goes any lower, it's in financial difficulty, which they are anyway. So there's no point buying any more. I'm happy I own it. I'm happy I'm in profit. And that's it. That's where I stay. Amazon is up 1% today. Good. We got Arrival and Amazon, of course. They related. So not Arrival. Rivian, I apologize. Apple. Right. Apple in 15 minutes from now will pay me some money. You will see my my amount of shares will go up. 26,148. We'll watch it, and you'll see my shares will go up of Apple. I'm going to get some dividends this morning, and it will go up. And it'll be very exciting to see it happen. It'll be free money. It's only $6 right now, but it'll buy a little bit of Apple, and that is all good. Robinhood markets. Did I stop saying that? Robinhood. It's had a nice pump the last few days. Very, very nice indeed. We're just a few bucks away now from 44,000. Let me do a poll this morning. Let's see what anyone thinks. Will I hit 45,000 today? Will I hit 45,000 today? Yes or no? What do you think? What is Apple dividend price per share? The Apple price per share is The Apple price per share is... let me have a look. Let me have a look. Price per share is... Apple is 23 cents per share. I'm going to earn $6.01. 23 cents per share. Okay. That is what I'm going to get this morning. All right. Now then, if you've just tuned in, I'm going to go on strike because we've only got 12 likes. You've fallen asleep on me. Can't have that. Smash the like button, subscribe, ring the bell. Let's put Mr. Mini up. Let's put Mr. Mini Me up. Come on then, everybody. Let me give a 1 minute on the clock. Let's get 20 likes. Smash the like button. Help me out. Let's grow. Let's grow. Let's make money. Let's grow the family. Everyone together. Not bad. My favourite stock pays 10 cents per share. But it's going up to 20 next year. Very nice. I like to own Apple though. I like to own Apple. Smash the like button. There we go. We've got 17 likes. I want 3 more. 30 seconds to go. Everybody on TikTok. Oh, look at all the love coming through. Thank you so much indeed. Who's giving me all that love? Look at all the love on TikTok. Hey, if you do the share button, I might put a surprise in for you. So the share button just here. Click the share button. Help me grow on TikTok. Thank you very much indeed. All right. Smash the like. We got 18 likes. Not too bad. I'm happy with that. There we go. Everyone buy CSX. Papa. Papa. That's how it goes. Papa. Everyone knows. What's that? What's that from? Oh, by the way, we've got a puzzle today to solve. I want everyone to help me solve a puzzle. $50 a share in a year. So much upside. Everyone buy CSX. Shall we pump a stock? Shall we pump a stock? I get accused of doing that all the time. I can't pump a stock. I'm just a small YouTuber. But people say it. People say all sorts. Right. Okay. Let's have a little look, shall we? So, shall we have a little look? Let's duplicate this and do CSX. You called it CSX. All right. Real growth. Let's have a look. Engages in provision of rail-based freight transportation. Its services include rail, the transport of intermodal containers and trailers. Right, let's have a little look. Let's have a look. 1.18. A real company, real growth. $50 a share in a year. So much upside. Let's have a little look. There you go, 110% over the last 5 years. Nice growth. It's at the top of its curve right now. There you go. CSX. I've not heard of this one. Been around. I like the fact it's been around since 1827. That's brilliant. Love that. 1.18. What is it? What does it pay per share? What does it pay per share, church? What does it pay per share? Had it at $28. Very nice. Had it at $28. Very nice. 10 cents per share. 10 cents per share. Okay. So it's not as much as Apple. It's about half of what Apple pay. But what's the growth on it? And let's compare the growth to Apple. CSX. Let's have a little look. Over 5 years. Yeah, I prefer Apple. On numbers wise. On numbers wise, it pays a better dividend. It's got better growth as well. But you know, CSX looks good too. It's based in Florida. It's got 20,900 employees. Its average volume is 12. Volume today is up 16 million at the moment. Check earnings. Let's have a look at the earnings. There you go. Expected October 19th. But you can see the earnings. It's steady growth, isn't it? And they're beating expectations by a small amount, but they are beating it. Very good. Very nice indeed. Okay, let's have a little look. Let's get back to our stocks. We've got 8 minutes to go. And we got 18 likes in the end. If you've just tuned in, smash the like button, subscribe and ring the bell. Help us out. Help us out. Help us out. And then we're going to solve a problem today. I want everyone to help me solve a problem. 55% of you say I will reach $45,000 today. Let's have a look. So a decent number. You the man. Thanks for giving it some shine. No, my pleasure. My members get special treatment, as they should. All right? Okay. I'm going to keep it open, though, because I'm going to research it. I'm going to research it. I like stocks like that. I think Warren Buffett and, what's his name? Bill Gates like stuff like that. Not far off. Nudge it, budget, move it. How are you, mate? Good to have you here. My overall portfolio is looking now. As you can see, we're at we're up $1, 1% today, 43,647, looking pretty good. How is everybody on TikTok today? Lovely to have you with me. A little surprise for you, a little thing I do for my subscribers. I only ever follow my subscribers and my members. It's just what I do. And why I only follow and subscribe to my members and my followers is my members and my subscribers, sorry. The reason why I do that is because I can engage with those people. I want to help everyone grow. I want to grow the best YouTube channels in the world. I have two. The music channel, which is Martyn Lucas on here, and Martyn Lucas 2, which is the money channel. And together, I'm live 10 hours a day, 5 days a week, and I'm here to help everybody. I've raised over $1 million for charities, and as I grow, you grow. And I believe that if you have a channel that serves everybody else, everybody wins, everybody makes money, everyone gains friends, and everyone feels they have a place to go and call home. And that's what my channel is about. So thank you very much for discovering me. If you actually subscribe to my channel here on TikTok, what I do is I follow you back, and I only follow my subscribers and my members. And the reason why is because I have limited time to engage, and I engage with everybody I follow. I don't do follow for follow. I don't do any of that stuff. It's why I only follow my members and subscribers. Now, more importantly than just that is I do exclusive content for my subscribers. I also want to see you grow. I love seeing you grow. So this is my portfolio right now. This is on the screen right now. If you become a subscriber, I'm making a mess of this. Normally I get it right, but I've made a mess of it this morning, but who cares? It's live, right? I put your channel on this screen behind me, and what I do is I make a commercial for you, and I ask all my 23,000 followers. I'm nearly at 23,000. It's like 22 and like 22.8 or something like that. 1,000 followers. I do a commercial, and I invite all my followers and subscribers on YouTube too, because this is YouTube broadcast, to follow you. And if you look on the homepage of my TikTok channel, you can see I've done it for lots of people. They've all gained members, they've all gained subscribers, and we all grow together. And that's what I do. So if you want to subscribe to me, at the end of today's show, within 5 minutes of me finishing this show, I will make your commercial on this screen. Hello from Canada. How are you? All right, let me get back to my YouTubers. If you want to come and join me, it's cash prize giveaway tomorrow. We do it every Friday. So do you want to win some free money? Do you want to win some free money? I do it all the time. It's in my YouTube link right now on the all links button. I'm in YouTube right now. Come and join me. Every single Sunday, I send out a free newsletter with all my tips, my stocks, things I'm investing in, my real shares, my real money. You see exactly what I've got. And I give you some cash prize giveaways, and all they are some of my YouTube videos which you watch, like a minute long or whatever. And we gave away $100 last week. We're giving away money every single week. It's free to enter, free for all. I don't want any information. I don't sell you anything. I just like doing it because it makes me feel good. So if you want to win some free money, and it's not for lazy people, it's not for scammers, it's not for bots, it's for people that really want some support and help, and they want some free money. Anyone else, don't bother. Click in the icon just here. Come out of the main live show. You'll see my all links button. Come into YouTube. I'm live right now and say, hey, I'm from TikTok. Can you put me in your free prize draw? And I'll go, no, bugger off. No, I'll say, yes, here is the link and you can be in it. So if you want to do that, just come over to YouTube right now. I've got to get back to my YouTubers. We've got 3 minutes before the bell goes. Are you ready? Let's have a look now. Let's have a look. Pelucius is here. Virgin Galactic. Yes, Virgin Galactic is going to go up to $8 again. I told you it would. It's going to be $100 a share. No doubt about it. What's Virgin Galactic going to hit? You beautiful, bold bull. That's nice, isn't it? I've just been called a beautiful, bold bull. Well, there you go. I'm not a bull or a bear. I'm just always optimistic in shares I buy. I'm never emotional and stressed. I mean, it's obvious, right? I mean, why do you invest it? Why are you ever bearish? What's the point? Why do you invest in what you don't believe in? It doesn't make any sense. And there's always a bull market if you want to label it. What's Virgin going to hit? It's going to be $100 a share. I know that. I'm going to the space station in the UK. I'm going to the space station in the US. I've got my name down for a flight. I'm going to be involved. No doubt about it. I understand what Virgin Galactic is. I've done Virgin Galactic experience for Richard Branson. I know all about it. Meta's new chatbot can convincingly mimic how humans speak on the internet, for better or worse. Oh, dear me. I don't like that. Don't like that at all. SHIB is going up. Oh, what about SHIB? 71 million volume on 4 today. Don't even get me started. It's old school. People buy into it because they've always bought into it. Well, they'll learn. I mean that in the loveliest way possible. Leo Flamini, no worries at all. You can call me a bold guy because it's the truth. And as long as you tell the truth, you can say what you like. All right. Okay, we're coming up to the bell. Let's get very excited. A minute to go. Let's a quick commercial break. I'll be right back in 10 seconds. Here we go. All right. We are back. Virgin Galactic just taking a bit of a quick dump before the bell goes. Let's go over to Apple. We've got a minute to go. We've got Arrival now coming back up, and it will come back up just like Gove did. I'm not worried about it at all. All right, Apple, here we go. Are you ready? Let's get ready to go. Open the bell. Ring the bell. Now, you'll see my shares. I will gain some shares. Look at it right there, look. 26,148. 148. It'll go up. I'm going to get some free shares. Only like $10 worth or whatever it is. It's dividend payout. Dividend payout day. So my shares will go up. 26,148. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. 26,148. 26,148. 26,148. Here it comes. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bella's gone. 26,148. I will get some free shares. 26,148. Come on, I want to see it happen. Ready? I'll keep ringing the bell until they give me some free money. One more time, that'll do. 26,148. You'll see it in a second. 26,148. Come on, where are you? It'll reinvest. And I also want to look at Johnson & Johnson as well. 26,148. What are they doing? Waiting for the best, waiting for it to go up, make it more expensive. Don't do that. Don't do that. 26,148. I'll come back to that in a second. Right, I bought some Johnson & Johnson because I wanted to get that this morning. Let's have a look. See if I was right. Oh, it's going down. Damn it. Never mind, doesn't matter. That'll come back up again in a minute. 26,148. Let's have a look. I keep trying to say it over and over again so I remember what the number is. 26, there you go. Oh no, wrong one. Buy it before it goes up. Come on. You're supposed to reinvest it when the bell goes. Where are you? Right, let's have a look. CSX, we're keeping an eye on this one for our friend Church. Rio Tinto's going up. S&P going up. Virgin Galactic, bit of a sell-off at the minute. People taking profits. They still don't understand the stock. That's up to them. Let them do it. Tesla, $900 today. Then it will head to 1,000. Polestar. Arrival collapsed today, by the way. I'm not buying any more. Awful earnings. 26,148. DNA is up. Ginkgo Bioworks. Oh, look at Apple fly now. Ethereum, still up. You've got big days ahead of Ethereum. Paul B. Ethereum is up. He'll love all that. End phase. Ginkgo Bioworks on fire this morning. Look at that. Tilray doing good. On 26,148. Johnson & Johnson taking a dive this morning. I just bought it in. That'll come back in a minute. I've got no doubt. they're gonna buy it when it peaks. I just wanted to witness my dividend reinvestments automatic, but it's not showing at the moment. This is the overall position. As you can see, I've just dropped back a little bit. I'm still up nearly 1% though. There we go. 61% of you say yes, I'll hit 45,000 today. I think I will as well. Okay, it's turning back up again now. I want Apple to go down before it buys my shares. Come on. Look, Apple dividend pending. Announcement, dividend payment, dividend payment pending August 11th. They've got to pay it out first so it can be reinvested. That's how it works, right? CSX doing very well this morning. We talked about it on the show, and looks like everyone's buying in. It's all to do with me, innit? The day trader. Can't believe it. Rio Tinto, last day before the earnings. Last day before the dividend, sorry. Vanguard S&P is up. VU up 6% now. Very, very nice. Virgin Galactic taking a bit of a drop. I'm not worried about it at all. Come back in a minute. Virgin Orbit. Tesla, $900 today. Stock split around the corner. Rivian earnings tonight. We're covering that as well. Lucid, Church of Logic, trains. Is that trains? Yeah. There you go. I'll show you trains. I've got to approve it. But I'll approve it. Lucid. Polestar, Arrival, awful today. I'm not buying any more, folks. I'm not buying any more. And I'm also not protecting my money either. And I don't want to come out, but I'm not buying any more. If there's time, could you look at GSM? GSM. I will. Amazon. Apple. Hasn't paid out my dividends yet. I want it to pay out when it goes down. Come on. Robinhood, waiting for it to drop. McDonald's, up doing very well. Coca-Cola. And Johnson & Johnson. There we go. Come on, rebound back. I just bought in. I've doubled up this morning. I doubled up on Johnson & Johnson. It went down 168.74. And that's worth buying in, I think. 168.74. It's a good place to park your money. You can always get your money out again if you need it. It doesn't really do very much, but it's a good place to park it. You do earn a good dividend from it. We've got the dividend payout coming up soon. These FX fees always ruin me. It's all free here on Robinhood. That's why I love Robinhood. It's the best place to trade. Best place to invest, best place to trade. I would love if Virgin brings back their high-speed rail. Oh, yeah, do you remember that? Virgin Galactic. Oh, here we go. Am I worried? No. Am I selling? No. Am I buying more? No. Unless it goes to $4. It's dropping below $7 now. Right. Apple's going back up again. We got day trader of the day today, and also we're covering the earnings tonight of Rivian. Arrival was a disastrous earnings, by the way, but I do see it coming back just like Gove did. This is what happened to Gove. They are in the same situation, doing the same products, same thing, dropped on earnings because of supply. I believe it will come back. It's being oversold, so I'm not worried. Canoe's making me money again, so I'm not worried about it. SPAC is being traded by the wrong people that want fast money. That's right. SPCE, there you go. I'm not worried about it. They can do what they want. They can do what they want. It doesn't change the company. There's just the price. All this is on the screen here is share prices. It's people who don't know what they're doing. No idea. Most people who are experts don't know what they're doing. Let's be honest. People get it wrong all the time. All the time. There you go. It's come back up again now. Right, so Johnson & Johnson, I'm hoping that will rebound in a minute. I was 4% down. I doubled my position on J&J. I don't know what the reason is why they've dropped like this, but I'm not worried because I know the company is solid. So I'm not worried at all. It's a small little drop, and I'm hoping it will come back in a minute. And it's probably temporary anyway because inflation is peaked, is coming down, and they're all about commodities. If their price come down, their profit will go up. Right, here we go. Google's doing well. Right, we're bouncing back now. Let's have a look. CSX is just going back down again. Rio Tinto. We got the ex-dividend date today. Told you 166. You were spot on. You were spot on there, mate. It's going to go a bit lower. But I don't really care because at 166 it bounced back up. I don't care. It still lowered my average. I'm still moving in the right direction. Not trying to beat the market, not trying to become the richest man in the world, not trying to be better than everybody else, just trying to have a nice, easy, relaxed time, make money, earn dividends. I'm not worried about that at all. Not worried about it one tiny iota. Johnson & Johnson isn't going anywhere. And to be down 2% on it when it's at the bottom of its trend here, I'm fine with it. It's a guessing game with hope and a prayer. No, it's more than that, Bill. It's a lot more than guessing game. I understand what Johnson & Johnson do. I understand what the market's doing right now. I understand why people are reacting the way they are. I understand it's not guessing at all. It's understanding and reading people. Anyway, look at all the follows on TikTok. We've had a record day today. No one came over from TikTok. I'm amazed that nobody wants my free cash prize draw. It's only ever 1%. Only ever 1% of the people on TikTok come into YouTube and want to be part of our cash prize draw. Only ever 1%. Most people are scrolling through looking for naked ladies. Most people are not investors or traders at all. They don't invest in the future. And most people are lazy. And that's true. That's why 98% of all the money in the world is owned by 2% of all the world. That's true. Because the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. I give away free money nearly every day, most days, every week guaranteed, but sometimes more than that. And you haven't got to do anything. It's completely free. And at the end of the day, I receive hundreds of emails going, will you give me free money? And I give money away free all the time. All you got to do is watch the show. But only 1% of TikTokers do. So anyway, if you're over there on TikTok and you want to be part of it, links in the profile. Links here come out on the main show, links in the profile, all links come into YouTube. This is my YouTube show right now. This is what I'm doing. And you'll be on the show and say, I'm from TikTok and I'm one of the 1%. I'm one of the hard-working, not lazy people who wants to make money. Can I be in your free prize draw? And I'll go, yeah, all right. And you'll go, was that it? Yeah, easy, innit? Sometimes money's right in front of you and people don't even realize it. We're trying to grow the best YouTube, Twitch and TikTok channels in the world. We're here to help people. It's what we do. It's what we do. Makes me laugh. All right. That's the hard work. But is watching you. Yeah, that's the hard work. But is watching you. Yeah. That's the hard work. I know. That is the hard work. You're dead right. Virgin Galactic, no surprise, came straight back up. They're from TikTok and they approved this message. Right. Virgin Galactic, look, I said it would hold above 7. I say it's going to go 8. Right? This is just people who do not understand the stock, who just scalp trading it. And I used to do that for a while, but I'm not doing that right now. Not doing that right now. All right. Virgin Orbit. How's my overall portfolio doing right now? Right. I want everyone to solve a problem. We're talking about batteries this morning. We're talking about batteries. I am confused and I need to resolve it. Some of you say this is the cookery show. We have cookery suggestions, and today we have man drawer suggestions today. Who has a man drawer? Do you have a man drawer where you throw stuff in it? And the question today is what's flummoxed me. Why are there no B batteries? Why are there no B batteries? They've doubled up and tripled up on the A's. No B's. Double A, single A, triple A. C and D, but where's B? Why did nobody want a B battery? I want to know where the B batteries are. There's none in my man drawer. I'm very, very confused. I want to know why there are no B batteries. It's blowing my mind up. Can you explain the difference between orbit and space? Yes, I can. Very different companies. Very different companies. CSS, look at this. CXX, the moment we promoted it this morning, it went up. You're very welcome, Church of Logic, by the way. I think you should give me a tip now. I think you should give me a super chat. We drew attention to CSX this morning, and the moment we did, the stock has been going up ever since. Four-wheel drive just subscribed to me. Thank you very much indeed. There we go. People are now subscribing from TikTok. They're coming over from TikTok, subscribing. Everybody wants to be on the A team and not the B team. Is that what it is? That can't be the reason. Because there's a C and D and there's a triple A and yeah. Why is there no B? I want to know why. All right, the Church of Logic, CSX, I got it, thanks. There you go, CSX, people are buying it. We've got the Queen of Self-Braiding. She has just bought CSX, so she's all in. She's all excited. There you go. Very, very nice. All right. Hey, you got it. Sing a song about trades. Chiggy, 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 jump, champ, cha. Chiggy, 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 ba, ba. There we go. We're singing a song about trains. Trains. Trailer for sale or rent. Ba-doo-be-doo. There you go. Trailer for rent. Ace Denager. Would everybody please put... do you know what? I want to do it. Ace Denager is one of our original members. Is he he's still a member? Yes, he is. He is still a member. Yes, he is. He's one of our original members. I love it. So everyone, I want everyone now to say, we miss you, Ace. I'm serious. We make people feel good on this show. If we can make people smile, they're happy. When they're happy, they invest. When they invest, we make money. When we make money, they make money. When everybody makes money, everybody makes money. Everyone's happy. Right. We missed you, Ace. Copy and paste. And if you're not doing it, you're a miserable sod. And we don't have miserable sods. Everyone's happy. Everyone's positive. Everyone helps everybody out. And if you're not part of the family, bugger off and go somewhere else. All right? Come on, everybody. We missed you, Ace. Don't just copy and paste me. Write something nice of your own. We missed you, Ace. Where you been? How's life? Been busy lately? That's no excuse. People build their lives around this show. People build their lives around this show. You've got to be here. There's none of this nonsense. Right, here we go. I appreciate you all. You are welcome. CSX is going up. Look at that. Look at that. Rio Tinto is going up today. It's up 2%. Last dividend day. Come on, everybody. Where's all the we miss Ace? I'm not happy. Not happy. Hardly anyone's doing it, Ace. They don't like you. What's that? That can't be true. That can't be true. That cannot be true. Vanguard S&P is going up, back up again. Virgin Galactic, look at that. Look at that. Exactly as predicted. 100% right on that one. Oh, right. What's the difference between Virgin Orbit and Virgin Galactic? Virgin Galactic is a space tourism company. It's also linked to the space experiences with Virgin Galactic. It trains astronauts, takes people into space. It's going to be all around the world. It's a global community of astronauts. Links, you can fly there by Virgin Galactic Airlines. You can, Virgin Airlines, cruise ships, hotels, all that stuff. Here we go. The Church of Logic's playing along. We appreciate you. We miss you, Ace. There you go. You are loved. You are loved. All right. And Virgin Orbit puts satellites into space. It's military involvements. It also shares the marketing with Virgin Galactic, so it's good for that. Very, very good. It can actually make more money than Virgin Galactic. It puts satellites into space in a unique way that nobody else can do. They don't use rockets. They use a Boeing. They fly it up. And they can put satellites anywhere in the world. All you need is a runway and an aeroplane. They can fly the aeroplane to you. And I am going to the space station in October. I am going to be there, and I'm going to have a look at it. So there you go. That's the differences between Virgin Orbit and Virgin Galactic. I believe they're both worth owning, and Virgin Orbit potentially can make more money than Virgin Galactic. All right, and I've got a buy when it drops to $3.25. All right, Virgin Galactic going to be $8 today. What? Mark my words. Tesla, that'll be $900 today. Rivian coming straight back up. We've got earnings tonight. We've got Lucid on fire now, up 2%. I'm up 9% on Lucid now. Very, very good. Polestar is up. Arrival is going down. I'm not buying anymore. I'm not chasing the stock down. It will come back up again. It's going to do exactly what Canoe did, GOEV, have a couple of days down and then back up. The earnings was not bad. It was just delays, normal. In the UK, they're suffering now more than the US, so it will improve. All right. Apple, 148. They still haven't invested my dividends yet. Hello from TikTok. Hello from TikTok. Charles Badu. Let's make Charles Badu famous. How are you, Charles Badu? Welcome, 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 Charles. Thank you, Leah, for the coffee. Hey, Mike. Leah's just come in with my coffee in my famous mug. There you go. Charles is one of the 1%. On TikTok. The rest of people are a lot of scammers, a lot of bots, a lot of stuff like that. Everybody welcome Charles Badu. So first of all, Charles, do you want to be in my free prize draw? It's free to enter, free for all. We give money away every Friday. I give away the money I make on the video. I give away my subscription money on Twitch. Do you want all that? Do you want to be part of it? It's free. I mean, you know, do you want to be part of it? I'm just saying. So all you got to do is go, yes, yes. You haven't even got to go, yes, please. I'm not going to make you beg for it. You just got to go, yeah, all right. I mean, why not? I mean, why not, eh? All right, then. Okay. All right, brilliant. Well, Charles, what we're trying to grow here is the best YouTube channels in the world. I've got my music channel, and I've got this channel, the Day Trader. This is the Day Trader where we are right now. And if you scroll down, I've also got my music channel. All right, I'll share it with you, right? And what we do is we promote everybody. We put all my members on the homepage of my channel. I get them more subscribers. I make videos for them. We all grow together. This is my music channel, and what we're trying to do is grow the best YouTube channels in the world, right? That's the idea, okay? And what we do is both channels support each other. So we're all about making money and music and love, and all underpinned with commitment. And I'm live 10 hours a day, 5 days a week. No one does more, right? Here is my music channel if you want to subscribe to me. If you want to check out the music afterwards, I'm known as the World Piano Man. But first of all, let's give Charles a warm welcome. Would everybody please give Charles a warm welcome? I'm actually from Cornwall in England, and this is my studio here in Dallas, Texas. Let me give you a wave. We've raised over $1 million in the studio for charities. There we go. How are you, Charles? Lovely to have you here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And this is my TV studio, my music studio, where I sing all the music for all the fundraisers and the charities that I do. There you go. That's the back of my head. You see in the back of my head. I just wanted to show you the studio. So would everyone please put their cities and countries in, and please welcome Charles. Now then, Charles, you can be in our free prize draw. What do we do? Every single Friday. Every Friday we do a free prize draw. It's absolutely free. And how we do it is we send out a newsletter every Sunday. A newsletter with everything going on. I've just got to pause you on TikTok for 10 seconds. Don't go away. All right? I'll be back in 10 seconds. I've just got to update my newsletter for Charles. It's Charles' fault. Blame Charles. If he hadn't come on in, this wouldn't have happened. All right, but he did. 1% due from TikTok. Hang on. They're all on pause thinking, when are we going to come back? There we go. I'm back on TikTok now. I'm back now. There you go. There, I'm back now. Sorry about that. I had to pause you all. For Charles on TikTok. Special guest today. We're making him feel famous, right? So, hang on a minute. So, every Friday... Oh, I've broken it. Every Friday, we do a competition. And sometimes we do surprise competitions as well. And we send out a newsletter. And here they are. Look, there are 197 people who have verified their newsletter. 252 have signed up for it, but only 197 are verified, right? So what you do, you click on this link I'm going to give you right now in the chat, and it will bring you to my email newsletter. It's free. You can unsubscribe at any point. It's secure. It's safe. I ask for no information. Don't sell you anything. I want nothing from you. Just put your email in there. There it is. And this is how we give away cash prizes every Friday. There is the email. Now, before you click it, you need to hear this. It's important. You will get a verification email within 10 seconds. It always goes into your junk folder. Why? Because we give away cash prizes, and it says that in the email. So emails think it's junk. Well, it's not. Right, look in the chat right now. I've given you the email you've got to search for in your inbox. thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. If you go and do that right now, I will see if you've been verified. I can confirm, because that number will go up from 197 to 198. And every single week, you can forget about it then. I will send you an email on Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. in the UK, and you will receive it, and you can be in our draw. And all we do is in there is I put, like, the draws are like a video on my channel. You watch it, leave a comment, and that is how you win money. And that's it. So basically, the money I get from my ad revenue, I give away as prizes. I also, and you'll like this one, it's also in the newsletter. If you subscribe to me on Twitch using Amazon Prime, I get $1.85 a month, every month from Amazon. Because Amazon own Twitch. It costs you nothing, and then I return my subscriptions in cash prizes to my subscribers. And I've only got 10, and 2 of those are me and my wife Leah, so we don't count. We can't win the prizes, right? And we give the money back to you. So that's in the newsletter as well, but if you want a quick link for it, here is the Twitch link. There it is. And I should have literally millions of subscribers on Twitch, because it's free. If you've got Amazon Prime, just turn Amazon Prime Gaming on, which is free, and you can get my... you can subscribe to for free on Twitch. It makes sense. And other people that you subscribe to on Twitch just keep the money, right? Well, I give it back as prizes, because I'm not interested in taking the money from you. It doesn't cost you any money anyway. It comes from Amazon. I'm trying to just help people and give people money, right? I just like doing it. It seemed a good idea at the time. Mr. Beast gives away other people's money. I give away my own money. I like doing it. Right, Virgin Galactic soaring right now. Very, very happy with Virgin Galactic. No surprise at all. Virgin Orbit's going up to follow it, but they are separate. Tesla, I'm expecting $900 today. Rivian going back up. Earnings tonight. Lucid's going back up. Polestar is going up. Arrival, disastrous earnings, but people will buy in at this level. It might even go a bit lower, but it will come back within 2 or 3 days. I've got no doubt about that. Amazon doing all right today. Apple, where is my flipping dividends? Dividend payment, August 11th. Why haven't you paid me my dividends? I'm waiting for it to go in so I can see it go up. Shall I refresh the screen, see if it's gone up? I don't know. It hasn't. 148. I know it hasn't gone in, because it would tell me if it had. No, it hasn't. Apple, why are you waiting for it to go up just so I had to pay more? Probably the end of the day. Is that what it is? I don't know. Normally it's... Oh, yeah. You're right. And then it invests it. You're right, at the end of the day. Don't! See, this is the first time I've actually watched it. So now I've learned, you're right. It will be at the end of the day, of course it will. And then it'll be reinvested on the opening bell. So yeah, because it always goes through straight away. Yeah, it'll be tomorrow morning, you're right. So I should stop looking at it, shouldn't I? Yeah. Otherwise I'm going to go mad. So Charles, let's have a look. It was 197 people on my newsletter list. Let's refresh it. Let's see if you are now in. 197 should go to 198. Hey! He's done it. He's done it. He's verified it. Congratulations. You will receive my newsletter on Sunday and you have a chance of winning money. And let me tell you, it's a very, very good chance. Most people are lazy. Most people will not watch the video. They won't leave the comment, or they'll watch part of the video and it doesn't count. You have to watch the whole video and leave a comment. And that's why very often when we do a draw, it's like 1 in 20 chance, sometimes 1 in 10. On Twitch to win the prize, it's 1 in 6. No, it's not. It's 1 in 8. It's 1 in 8. And if those people aren't watching the show, sometimes we've gone down to the last person because they weren't even in. So it's guaranteed free money for people that aren't lazy. Anyway, Rocket Lab rocketing into earnings tonight. Rocket Lab earnings, rocketing into earnings tonight. There we go, Rocket Labs. I prefer Virgin Orbit. I prefer Virgin Orbit, honestly. But you, Pete, and we will look at it as well as we're doing Rivian earnings at the same time. All right, good. All right, subscribe, ring the bell. We've got a great audience right now. Right then, what can I do? What can I do, everybody? I have got 42 people watching and 21. Half of you watching right now have not liked my video. Listen, folks, this is a plea to you. If you're watching my show right now and you've not liked it, I sit here for hours and hours a day. I know that's my fault, not yours. And I'm trying to raise millions of dollars for charity. I'm trying to help people grow on YouTube and TikTok. I want to give away massive cash. I'd love to give away $1 million cash prize. One day I will. I want to do all that stuff. And this is my legacy. I'm the world piano man, toured all over the world, and I want to finally finish with this and help people. And you are helping me by smashing the like button, because what it does, it tells YouTube to show this video to more people. That's all it does. And I'd really appreciate it. We've got 42 watching and 27 likes. I'd really appreciate it if you could do it. I've built, I believe, and I hope you agree with me, probably one of the best, most advanced YouTube studios in the world. YouTube have told me that, by the way. And all this comes to life with special effects and smoke and lasers. All these lights move as soon as I get a request to do a song, and you can hear me do a song. And so please smash the like, help me grow. And the more I grow, the more you grow. So if you want to make money, if you want to grow a family, if you want to raise money for charities, if you want to do good stuff, just support my channel and it'll all come for free. Please, I want to join. Someone on TikTok says, I want to join. You can, it's free. I told you how to do it. Click the profile here, click the all links button and come into YouTube. Come out of the main show on TikTok, click the icon here and come into YouTube. This is my YouTube broadcast. That's where I am now, and say, hey, I'm from TikTok. I want to be in your free prize draw. They may be waiting for the free button push. What free button push? I subscribed. I will have to. I will have to update to get on Twitch. Thanks for the spotlight. Hey, Charles. Charles, you are very welcome, mate. If you become a member to our channel, here's the invitation. You need a browser. All right. You can become a member from a couple of bucks. We have bronze, silver, gold, sponsorship, and investor level. If you become a member, you can see nearly everybody is. Ask them, don't ask me, ask them why they're members, and they'll tell you they gain 20 times back what they put in. And that's how I built it. If you become a silver member, you can have a charity fundraiser concert, and I will give all the money to your charity. You don't pay me anything, and I don't charge commission. It goes directly to your link, directly. And also, if you're a bronze member for a couple of bucks a month, you and your family, anyone in your family, Charles, can have a birthday celebration live on my shows. If it's your birthday, yesterday, today, or tomorrow, for you or anyone in your family, you get a birthday concert during the show. I jump to the piano and do it. And if you give me a $10 super chat at any point, I'll play you a song as well during the live show. I can do 14 voices, 7 different languages, and 650 songs. Even more than 20%. Yes, I raised about $1,500 for Bill, and we bought him a mobility scooter. He's a war veteran. His mobility scooter broke. We got it repaired, and we paid for it. And that's it. He got that for free. He got it for free. We repaired his mobility scooter. We've sent money to Africa for Zach, one of our other members. Yep. Right, I sold my arrival the other day based on the Gove earnings and the EVs. All have the same story, unfortunately, with the exception of Tesla and maybe NIO. Yeah, I get it, but I'm just holding it. I get why you did that. It makes perfect sense. CSS is booming today, by the way. We gave a little bit of a plug today to CSX, and the moment we went all over it, it jumped up. There you go. Rio Tinto, 2.39 last day before the dividend. Wow, there you go. This is, look. There's so much good news now. Look, I can't celebrate it anymore. I'm sorry, I can't. I know I should celebrate this, but I can't because I know it's going to $100. I know it's going to $8. I know it's going to go to 100. I know all that. Oh, don't forget the $100. Oh yeah, forgot about that. Bill won a $100 cash prize as well last week. He loved all that. Where's Rob Brennan? Can you imagine what he feels like right now? That's why I can't be happy, because I know somebody else is their pain is more than my excitement. You know what I mean? By the way, if you look below any of my videos, not the live videos, but the actual videos, you can see all my mugs and all my t-shirts and hats. Has anybody seen that yet, by the way? In fact, I'm going to ask you that now. I'm going to do a poll. It's a new feature. It only came last week. Yes, you can buy today. Malvin Photography. Yes, you can buy today. What can you buy, Malvin? There's Malvin. Hey, Malvin, how you doing, Malvin? Are you a YouTuber? Are you a YouTuber that would love your channel to grow? Guaranteed, 100%. Studio, I'm new here. I have 100 to invest. Can you help? Studio 55. I'm talking to my YouTubers now. Let's see if anyone here is a YouTuber. I'm a professional YouTuber. I make my living on YouTube, TikTok, and Twitch. It's my full-time job. I'm live 10 hours a day, Monday to Friday. Are any of the, is Malvin or Studio 55 professional YouTubers, or are you looking to grow your YouTube channel? I am here to help people, and I guarantee more than I have a higher engagement rate than Mr. Beast. More per 1,000 subscribe to my channel and our members than a Mr. Beast, by the way. Check it out. I'm not joking. I'm absolutely telling you the truth. Okay? We're a very new channel. We're very small, but we're growing. But we don't do a lot of videos. Most of what I do is live, and I do it for a reason. Because I want to grow a live, engaged family. And because of that, nearly everyone subscribes. Everyone becomes a member and everything. No, I want to invest in crypto, bro. Yes, I am a YouTuber, but a newcomer. All right. Good stuff. I want to invest in crypto. Well, hold your horses. This is my Ethereum position. This is my Bitcoin position, and this is my BSV. It's all rising, but I'm holding back right now. I had 10,000 worth of Bitcoin BTC, and I sold it all. I've got $300 right now because a big crash is coming, and when it does, I've got a big bucket to pick it all up. So I want to do something for Malvin. Very rarely I do this, but from time to time I do it. Malvin, you are a photographer, and you are, yes, I'm a YouTuber, but a newcomer. He's new. All right. Okay. Malvin is a YouTuber. Do you want to grow your YouTube channel, Malvin? Do you want to grow your YouTube channel? 100%. Do you want to grow it? Or is it just a bit of fun? So wait, right? Yeah, I would wait. Absolutely wait. Absolutely. And remember, other YouTubers on YouTube are telling you what to do to promote their channels. I couldn't care less. This is my real money, my real shares, and I'm telling you what I'm doing with my real money live on the show. I'm here to grow the best YouTube channels in the world to help people. There you go, guys. We're up again today. All this was up from $5,000. I'm waiting for Malvin to tell me, yes, I want to grow my YouTube. All right, here we go. Well, Malvin, I'm going to do something. I'm going to do something for you right now. And you're going to love this. This portfolio was grown from $5,000 live on my show in front of everyone. See it? Look at it over 3 months, they're up 28%. Anyway, okay. We're here to help people, right? We're here to raise money for charity, support people, and everything. So, here we go. I went live, Malvin. I went on, started this YouTube journey 14 months ago. And I've been live every day, 5 days a week, 10 hours a day, growing the channel. And I'm a full-time YouTuber. I have 2 channels, this one and the music channel. I'll show you them. This is the music channel. Here it is. If you subscribe to this one, after the end of the show, you can see all my music. And you can see I was awarded the World Piano Man title. And I've done 195 countries as the World Piano Man. Okay. Now then, what I'm trying to do is those 2 channels, the music and the day trader, grow and support people, help people. And if I believe you give to people, it always comes back tenfold. And that's what I've done all my entire life. And that's how I've grown my portfolio and I've toured the world. All right. So I'm going to ask you now to take a leap of faith. Right? All right. I'm going to ask you before I even tell you what it's about to see what sort of person you are. Now you'll see in our chat right now, nearly every single person is a member. Nearly every single person. Right? We have a higher engagement rate than Mr. Beast. If you look at the percentage of people that view his channel and subscribe to the channel, mine is higher engagement rate, higher subscriber rate, higher member rate. Very low views, but live shows, more people subscribe and member than any other channel in the world. Just go and check it. Don't take my word for it. Go and check it. So I am going to do something for you if you show some faith, right? And ask anyone before you do it. I give back 20 times what you put in. So let's see. I've done this twice. And let's see what he does. Here is my invitation to join in the chat right now. You don't know anything about me, nothing about my channel. You've got no idea. I could be the biggest lunatic in the world. Probably am, actually. All right? But I've just given you the invitation to join. I've given you the invitation to join. Now we have bronze, silver, gold, membership, and investor level. Investor level is like $500 a month. And we have people in that list, but they are unknown to everyone. It's like a secret society. All right? I've just given you an invitation to join. You need a browser, and you can join and become a member. Become a bronze member now, which is like, I don't know, what is it, $2 a month, $2.99? And let's see if he does it. And if you do it, something's going to happen. Something great's going to happen. Now, you might think, I'm not doing that. Who's this flipping idiot, right? Or I'm going to go for it. Let's see if you show a leap of faith. And if you do it, something good's going to happen. So let's see. Let's see what he does. I'm not going to say anything about it. I'm not going to say what I'm going to do, what's going to happen, but let's just see if he does it. Let's see if he gets a good feeling about this channel and becomes a member. All right? While we're doing that, we're going to carry on looking at my stocks, right? Virgin Orbit is $398. Tesla is $878. Will be $900 today. No question. Rivian, we've got the earnings tonight. Very excited. Rivian's only worth $30, so I bought it at $29.69. I made money at it all the way up to $170. And Abbas Mustafa just subscribed. Let's have a quick look and see where our subscribers are today. When we get to 5,000, we have Greg Dickerson coming on the show. Shall we have a quick look? Here we go. Let's see how it's moved today. We were at 4,200 when we started. 4,248. Whoa! We've gained another 8 today. We are growing so quick. Everyone who watches subscribes. Everyone becomes a member. In fact, not everyone. It's about 73% of our viewers, our regular viewers, are members. And we're waiting to see what happens if Malvin Photography becomes a member. Just out of blind faith with no reason whatsoever. all right, without no reason whatsoever. I'm going to see if he takes a leap of faith. And you might think I'm a lunatic, and why bother? But he just might. See what happens. Polestar Automotive, get some water. It's cool, man. You had a lot. You put a lot of work in. I know. Excuse me a second. Okay. Is Malvin still here, or did he go away? He's no idea what he's just missed if he's gone. If he's still here, we'll find out, won't we? He might be thinking, I don't believe this guy. And that's all right. That's all right. Bitcoin is up 1.3. Bitcoin SV 2.56. I'm up now $16% on my Bitcoin SV. This is proving out to be a very good investment. Very good investment. Enphase Energy is down today, 2.14. I'm not bothered. I'm up 65% on it. Ginkgo Bioworks. Whoa! Ginkgo Bioworks, 38%. What has happened with Ginkgo Bioworks today? This is one of my. This is what happens if you get a bronze member. I'm not going to tell you. Because what normally I explain my memberships. But today, I want to do something special for people who know nothing about it and just see if they have a leap of faith. Let's just see if anyone today just becomes a member without me telling them what it is. And if they do, I've got a surprise for them. Now, is it nonsense? Am I making up stories? Is it, you know, or is it going to be good? Is it going to be good? He said, all right, I'll try it. Malvin Photography, he's not here. He disappeared. Ginkgo Bioworks. Look at this, everybody. Ginkgo Bioworks up 46%. Felix Comerel has just become a bronze member. Felix Comerel has just become a bronze member, everybody. How about that? I'm just going to wait a moment. Is Malvin Photography still in the channel? Before I say anything to you, Felix, Ginkgo Bioworks up 48% today. What has happened? August 15 after hours. What has happened on Ginkgo Bioworks today? Absolutely awesome stuff. CY Financials. Stand by, Felix. I'll tell you in a minute what's going to happen. Think he left. Daniel Smith has just become bronze as well. Look at that. I can't believe Malvin left. I can't believe Malvin left. We're just going to wait a minute. Going to give him a few minutes. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe he's left. Unbelievable. Look at Ginkgo Bioworks. Felix has just become a member. There it is on the screen. So has Daniel. I've got some surprises. I just don't want to say anything until... Oh, and Daniel, look. Oh, Malvin. Malvin, you've no idea. Hello, can we trade with you? Yes, you can. Hit 140 today. I know. Your channel is starting to move. It's really... And I know where some of the views are coming from as well. Love that you do music as well, Felix. Yeah, I'm the world piano man. I do a live songs in the show if you want them. It's $10 super chat, and I ask for $10 because it covers the copyright of the video. Ginkgo Bioworks. Right. Sell Ginkgo Bioworks. 45%. Sell. Trailing stop order. 5%. Trail. 5%. Shares. Uh, 120, 60. 60. Sell DNA. Stop trailing order. Percentage. 10%. 10%. Okay, here we go. I'm going to do a sell. Sell DNA, half of it. A 10% stop trail loss. Shares is 60. Shares 60, so I'll keep the other half. Good for the day. Review order. $4.18. That'll be $4.18. That's $1 a share. There you go. Review the order. Okay, and okay, here we go. Sell. You're watching me do this now. I have put in a stop trading loss. I will come back to Daniel and Felix. I haven't forgotten you. We're just making some money here. Ginkgo Bioworks has popped up 48% today. That is a huge amount of money. That some exchanges have been halted. So drama has kicked into the stock. I've set a stop trail loss. If it continues, I'm making $1 a share. I'm guaranteed 100% to make $60. 100%. Okay. I might make a lot more than that. And $60, I beg your pardon, $1 a share. I am, I've set a stop trading loss so it goes up. If it drops, it'll be sold. I don't mind. That's not a share. That's not something I need to hold. But I've set a stop trail loss of 10%. Let's see what happens over the day. I can forget about it now. CSX, Rio Tinto, Vanguard S&P, 44, Virgin Galactic. Yes, it will be $8 today. Yeah. Now then, I haven't forgotten my 2 members, by the way. I haven't forgotten you. I just want you to know I've not forgotten you. Tesla. I'm expecting Tesla to be $900 today. My overall portfolio is pumping right now. So we've got day trader of the day. We've also got to do a special thing for Felix and Daniel, who became members. I asked them to become members on Leap of Faith today, and I'm going to do something for them. Right, here's my overall portfolio now. We're up another $1,200 today. This is phenomenal, right? I've set a sell order for Ginkgo Bioworks. Hey, Martin, how you doing? Very, very well indeed. Look, absolutely great. Should I buy space 7:30? What do you guys say? You should already be in on Virgin Galactic on SBCE. It depends on your portfolio. I've hold 1,400 shares. It's going to be $100 a share, no question about it. Not because it's worth $100, because retail investors will pump it up to $100. I know that 100%, no question about it. It's going to be probably $8 today. It oversold after the earnings. Arrival, you shouldn't have sold that out. I told you it was going to come back. There it is. It's doing exactly what Canoe did. And there's Canoe. You can see it right now. No question about it. And DNA, Ginkgo Bioworks today. I've just set a limit order. There we go. There we go. Watch. If it drops 10%, it'll be sold. Half of it. Okay, so now we're going to take a moment for our members. I asked Malvin, and unfortunately Malvin disappeared. He lost out big time today. I was going to do something special for Malvin, as he was a YouTuber. I was going to give him some very, very special benefits that only gold members get if he became a bronze member. Unfortunately, he left. And the other two people became members today, Felix and Daniel. They're not actually YouTubers, I don't believe. Are Felix and Daniel, are you YouTubers? And would you like to grow your channels? Because you became members today out of pure faith, without me telling you what the benefits were. And I said I would do something special for you. It really only benefited Malvin, I think, because he was a YouTuber who wanted to grow his channel. Do you guys want to grow your channels? Are you YouTubers? You haven't got any icons, so I'm guessing not. But I will do something else for you anyway. So I'm just going to ask that question first of all. If you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, give me a thumbs up. Waiting to hear back from Felix and Daniel. Once I found out what they're all about, I will tell you. Any thoughts on Rivian earnings? Rivian earnings will follow exactly what exactly what Canoe did. All it was bad. No, they don't have a YouTube channel. I thought so. Okay, but I'm still going to do something good for you. Okay. Okay. So Rivian. Rivian earnings tonight. I beg your pardon. I thought we were talking about a rival. I beg your pardon. Rivian earnings. Rivian earnings won't be amazing, but the stock will be up on it. No question about it, because they are way ahead of what a rival are doing. And Rivian is good only because I bought in at $29. It was worth $30, so I can't lose on this stock now. It's never going to go below what I paid for it. It's always going to make money. It's probably got room to go at about $50 over the next year or two. That's it, no more than that. Right, I just want to spend a moment now with Daniel Smith. They're not YouTubers, so Daniel and Felix, this offer it doesn't benefit you because you're not YouTubers. But anyway, Daniel and Felix, I would like everyone, please, to welcome them into the family first of all. I've just set a buy of Ginkgo Bioworks, a stop trail loss at 10%. It popped up 48% today. I've set a stop trail loss on it. I'm going to sell it in a minute if it goes down. A stop trail loss of 10%. Absolutely fantastic. So, would everybody first of all welcome Felix and Daniel? They are new members today. They did it out of pure faith today, so I want to do something nice for them. So first of all, I want to welcome them in. My name is Martyn Lucas, the World Piano Man. This is my studio. Let me give you a wave. I've raised over $1 million for my members here in the live chat. And in the show, this is my TV studio. I'm actually based here in Dallas, Texas. Welcome to you. Now, I said to my members this morning, if you became members without me even talking about it, I would do something nice for you. And that is exactly what I'm going to do. So would everybody please welcome Felix and Daniel into the show. Put in your cities and countries. And Felix and Daniel, please do the same. Put your cities and countries of where you are from as well. And we'd love to get to know you. Right? Now, both of you, I'm going to give you some little things now. You've become members. So, first of all, do you want to be in our free prize draw every single Friday? Here is the weekly newsletter. If you sign up for this, it's free, and we give free cash prizes away every single Friday. There is the link. Once you've clicked on it, it will bring you to this page. This is the page it will bring you to. Not that page. It will bring you to this page. All right? And you put you're from Switzerland. Oh, wonderful. I have performed on Mount Pilatus in Switzerland. Mount Pilatus. I'll show you a picture of it if you want. But anyway, put your email in there and you'll be sent a verification email. The verification email is this. And I'm going to give it to you first because it will go into your junk folder. You need to search for it because it goes into your junk folder. Search for it when it comes. It will come within seconds of you clicking on that. And you need to verify it because we have a secure server. It's not for scammers and bots, stuff like that. So there is the email you got to search for. And on Sunday at 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, 2 p.m. GMT, you'll be sent an email newsletter with all my tips, what I'm trading, and you'll see all the cash prize draws. Already subscribed and verified. Fantastic. So you've done that. Brilliant. Next thing you can do, if you want to talk to me, you want to call in live to the show, little gift for you. If you want to call in live to the show, you want to talk to me, you want to see my stock tips, 24 hours a day, I'm trading in Discord. You can see all my stuff. I'm going to give you an invitation. Now, if you go into Discord as a non-YouTube member, you only see the public channels. Oh, link, here it is, Malvin. Malvin's back. Link can't load join. You need a browser. You need a browser. I'm so glad you came back because I'm going to do something extra special for you because you're a YouTuber. I guarantee you something. You're going to love it. The other guys aren't YouTubers. I can't do it for those guys. Here is the invitation to join. You need a browser. Open a browser on your phone or a mobile device or a computer. You have to have a browser, not the app. There is the invitation to join. Do it now. I promise you, you're going to love it. I promise you, you'll love it. Right. So the guys I just gave the Discord link to, go to Discord. And when you're in Discord, let me know what your username is, and I'm going to upgrade you so you can talk to me. You can see all my exclusive trading channels for free, and you can even call into the show if you want to. When you get the Discord, this is what you'll see, and I will see you on the screen. And once I see you on the screen, tell me which one is you, and I do it that way because people will try to claim your benefits, so you've got to do it through YouTube, so I know it's you. I will upgrade you. Now, because you became members today, without knowing what it was for, I said I would do something special for you, didn't I? Now then, if you were a YouTuber, I can't tell you what it is because Malvin's in the process of doing it. And I don't want him to do it because I've told him what it is. I want him to do it out of faith. And then I'm going to reward him more than I would normally do. But I don't want to tell him what it is. But for you guys, what I'm going to say to you, because you're not YouTubers, you can't benefit from what I want to do for Malvin. What I'm going to do for you is all my silver members, I give them a fundraiser concert. And we've raised over $1 million in this show, in this studio for our members, our silver members. They pick a charity and I do a 20-minute concert. Now it could be for you. Maybe you have an anniversary, a special event, a birthday party. You want a 20-minute concert. It's reserved for silver members. But I'm going to give it to you for free because you took a leap of faith today and you became a member without knowing what I was going to do. So because of that, I am going to give you a free 20-minute concert where you can use it as a fundraiser for your favorite charity, or you can have it for your own birthday party or an anniversary, or maybe you want to do it for the wife or your husband, or I don't know, or your children, a special birthday party. Whatever it is, you could have a 20-minute concert for free without being a silver member because you became members today without knowing what it was. So I want to give that to you as a gift. Okay? That was my surprise to you. All right? So there you go. And you can have that. All right? Excellent. Let's see if Malvin gets himself sorted out, and I'll tell you what I'm going to do for him. And there you go. All you got to do is let me know, and I'll do it for you. Did Ginkgo Bioworks? Yes, Ginkgo Bioworks sold. There you go. I had a 10% stop loss. I took the profit. I sold half of my Ginkgo Bioworks. So there you go. I sold 60 shares at $4.35. I made $60 profit. That's awesome, Martin. My pleasure. If people just, have a leap of faith, and sometimes I surprise people. Sometimes I surprise people. I like doing it. All right? So there you go. That's what happens if you show some faith on my channel. Okay? And as the channel gets bigger, like really big, I might just suddenly be like Mr. Beast and go, if you subscribe to me today, something's going to happen. And I go, there's $1,000. One day I want to do that. That would be absolutely awesome. Can you imagine doing it live on the show? I'm not big enough for that yet. Remember, I have to give away what I earn. And if I don't earn it, I can't give it away. But that's what I'm going to do. There you go. So you know it now. You know what's coming. Awesome. How does the 20-minute concert work? Well, it works very simple. Tell me what you want to do. Is it a birthday party? Is it an anniversary? Is it a family get-together? Right? I will then create an event on my music channel, which is this channel here. Have you subscribed to it yet? There's my music channel. I'll put a 20-minute concert on here, and it's in your honor. I will create a thumbnail, and I will say, Martyn Lucas does live concert for Felix. All right? And you can share the link to all your family and friends, and I will do a concert for you as the World Piano Man. We'll have a sing-along. It can be a fundraiser, or it can just be a party for you. And that's it. I will share the link. It'll be on my channel. It will go live, and all your family and friends will tune in, and the day traders will all tune in and support you. And it'll be I'll have a beer. You'll have a beer. We'll have a bit of fun, and there you go. That'll be for you. There you go. And that's just the beginning. There are many, many more perks. As a member now, when it's your birthday, for you or your entire family, the day of, the day before, or the day after, I will celebrate it live on the show. Let me know if you've got family or anyone that's their birthday yesterday, today, or tomorrow. At any point in the future, live on the show, we do a happy birthday celebration for you. All right, that's for you as well. You also get access to Discord. You also get the cash prize giveaways, my stock tips. You can call live into the show. How you call in live to the show, by the way, is like this. These are people that have called into my show. If you want to do that, this is what it's like. Here's Alex.
Follow Martyn's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
There we go. That's from Alex. It'd be a fundraiser for our next album. I want to get to the studio with my band. Well, Felix, I can help you with your music. I can help promote your music as well. I'm the World Piano Man. I've performed in 195 countries. I've been recognized by celebrities. This is my music channel. And gladly promote your music. Have you as a guest, promote the album. I do that. I'll do that for you because you became a member today. Blind faith. All right. And the fundraiser for your album, okay, it will be your link on the screen. Okay. You're not a registered charity, so I can't collect any money on your behalf. I wouldn't do that. All right. It's for yourself. So it'll be your link on the screen. So what I will do a 20-minute gig. And I could do 14 voices, 7 languages, 650 songs, all that stuff. And I will promote your album. I'll put links to your album. I'll put links to your PayPal on the screen. And all your friends can watch and make requests from me. And you'll get all the money directly. I won't take any commission. I won't charge you anything. And you'll get that as a gift from me. Just because you became a member today without knowing what it was. All right? Best YouTube channel in the world, right? There you go. So, Felix, what I suggest you do is get onto Discord. You can message me. Here's my Discord channel. And we're live here every day on The Day Trader. You can communicate in here with me. That's the best way. I'm live every opening and closing bell, every Monday to Friday. Look at that stock, 35 by tomorrow. Which stock is that, church? Look at that stock. Which stock is that? Look at that stock. 35 by tomorrow. What stock is that, church? Oh, CSX. There you go. Very cool. Yeah, you're welcome, mate. You're welcome. Thank you for taking the leap of faith. And I appreciate it very much indeed. When you're on Discord, let me know, by the way. You're not there just yet. When you are, let me know. And, right, we've got Day Trader of the Day. Let's run a quick commercial break. We got to hear from some of our celebrities as well this morning. So we're going to play that in a minute. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. And I'm back. That wasn't even 30 seconds, was it? It's amazing, isn't it? Right. Felix, did you sort out... Did you want to do the Twitch thing? Did I explain to you about the Twitch thing where you can win money every month? Doesn't cost you anything, it's free. Did you want to be in that? Virgin Galactic is going up again. Virgin Orbit just dropping back a bit, but I'm not worried. And still say $900 a day for Tesla. Stock split around the corner. Rio Tinto, of course, last chance to get today for that amazing world record breaking, amazing dividend it pays out. One of the best. We love Rio Tinto. Great company. Now it's investing in solar as well. Yes, I'd like to. Oh, brilliant. Okay, well, here's the Twitch thing. All you do is go Amazon Prime /gaming, and it will go, do you want to, if you've got Amazon Prime, you just turn on gaming, it's free. It says, do you want to turn it on? And you go, yeah. And then you just, then you link Amazon Prime to Twitch. Remember, Amazon Prime, Amazon owned Twitch. And then you become a subscriber, and every month I do a cash prize draw and give back to my subscribers the money I get on subscriptions. I give a free cash prize draw all the time. And you haven't got to do anything. And just subscribe to me. When you subscribe, just go subscribe forever. Don't do it monthly, just do it forever. It doesn't cost you anything. Amazon Prime pay for it. And it's part of Amazon, it's what Amazon do. And the money I get, I give back to you. It's just a way to help people, right? Seems a good idea. Should I take Rivian calls by end of the day? Any suggestion? Rivian, just joining on Discord. Nice one. When you get over there, let me know and I'll upgrade you. Should I take Rivian calls by the end of the day? Said Rama. Rama, I can't tell you what to do because it depends on your financial position. Rivian is a good buy at $26. I mean, I'm up 48%. I'm holding it. It's going to be worth a lot more in the future, but at the end of the day, I don't options trade. I don't believe in options trading. I don't like predicting a date. I invest in the CEO, the company, what it does. I don't invest on the price. I don't care about the price. I care about the value. I care about what the company does. I don't predict the future. I don't gamble. I'm not really an options trader. There are people who are, and some of those people talk a lot on my Discord channel. If you want to talk to them, become a member here on YouTube, and then you can call in and you can speak to our options traders, and they'll share with you what they're doing. And the philosophy of what our show's about is people always share with you what they're actually doing, all right? Not what they want to do and pump it and dump it. I'm always sharing with you my real trades, my real money. This is all of my real money. Guess who got their mug today? Shad, you finally got your mug? Well, send me a picture in. Send me a picture in via Discord and we'll put it on the screen. You know where it's going to go, right? You know where it's going to go. It's going to go right here. You ready? Here it comes. Give it 10 seconds and it'll be up on the screen. Yep, I'm one of the. There you go. Look, there you go. These are all the mugs. Look, you want to be on that screen there with your special limited edition anniversary mug? Send it in. And remember, you can buy all my merchandise, guys, below all my videos. Not the live shows, the actual videos. You can buy mugs, t-shirts, hats, in any size, in any colour, available anywhere in the world, all sent. Thank you very much indeed. Shad. Okay, Rio Tinto, last chance to get it today. Vanguard S&P is up 1%. Virgin Galactic. Let me have a look at what's Ginkgo Bioworks. There we go. See why I sold it? That was a ridiculous pump this morning. It went up 48%, and I did a stop trail loss on it, hoping it could carry on. Well, it didn't, and I did a 10% loss, so I sold it at 38% up, and I took a profit. I made $60 profit on that one this morning, and that's how you make free money in a guaranteed way with no stress, no drama, 100%. Thank you very much, and that's it. So now I've made $60. I will buy Ginkgo Bioworks. I will spend $60 when it goes all the way back down again. I've kept my other 60 in case it goes up. Not selling that, keeping that long term. And that's how you make money on the stock market without any stress, drama. A stop trail loss, give yourself a swing that looks appropriate, and you are good to go. Free money, no drama. Now, Canoe is doing what a rival will do in a week or so. I'm up 3% on Virgin Atlantic. Virgin Atlantic? Do you mean Virgin Galactic? Do you mean Virgin Galactic? Or do you mean Virgin Atlantic? Maybe you do mean Virgin Atlantic. Maybe you do. Anyway. Hey, Duchak! No way! Duchak is back! He's become a bronze member again! Hey, how are you, Do? Do. Welcome back, Do. Welcome back again. Hey, I love it, Duchak. Everybody, Duchak's one of our originals. One of our original guys. And I've noticed that that your badge... Let me have a quick look. Light blue. Yes, it's turned to a green now. So it's kept your history, which is great. It'll turn gold soon. Would everybody please welcome back Duchak? I love Duchak. Welcome back Duchak. There you go. Let's blow it up. He's one of our originals. He's been here since the beginning. CHACK. All right, welcome back. Let's blow it up. Let's make Duchak smile today. Everyone, copy and paste. Welcome back, one of our original members. You've only got I got another subscriber. Exploding today, by the way. It's exploding. I want to help more people. We got all these people that are joining up and becoming members. I want to give more money away. I'm in the mood to give money away today. Look at this. This is crazy. We're blowing up everywhere today. Do we get a new follower on Twitch? Right. Egon CJ, if you use your Amazon Prime to subscribe to me today, you will be in our monthly free prize draw. It's absolutely free. I give back my subscriber money. It's money you get from Amazon Prime Gaming for free. Amazon Prime Gaming is free. You just got to turn it on. If you're an Amazon Prime customer, let Amazon give me free money, which I give that back to you. I don't know why everyone doesn't subscribe to me on Twitch. You should all subscribe to me on Twitch. You'll have too many people joining soon. Do you know, we have a higher engagement rate than Mr. Beast. Right? He has millions and millions of views. I need to people understand what I mean when I say that. Per views, more people subscribe to me per views than Mr. Beast. More people become members than Mr. Beast. Per views. I know I'm a small, tiny little channel, but we're growing and our engagement rate is off the charts. And the reason why it is because this channel belongs to you. We just helped someone this morning. He came on. I said, hey, if you become a member today, I offered it to anyone who became a member today. I would do them a 20-minute concert, even as a bronze member, for free. And he wants to promote his music album. And he's over the moon. And I didn't tell him what they would get if they did it. But anyway, they did it. 2 people did it out of faith. Malvin, right. Malvin and Felix. It looks like they're over on Discord. I can see some Discorders now. Let me check. Is this you? I need you to confirm in YouTube that this is you. Look, it looks like it is, but the reason why I do it is people will create copycat accounts to get all your benefits and perks. So do it in YouTube. Say, yes, that is me. Looks like Felix. Looks like Malvin. Felix is me. That is you? Right. I do it. You understand why I do it that way? Okay. I do it to protect your benefits. Okay. So roles. Member. There you are. You can now see all the channels. And I will add you as a friend. Which means I can now message you. Now, please, guys, understand this. YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, wherever you're watching me. I have hundreds of copycats. I will never message you. Never try to sell you anything. And I always spell my name correctly. And if anyone on Twitch or anyone on TikTok appears with the name Martyn Lucas, check their role. They are not even a member. And if they are a member, I doubt if they'd be a member. They are absolutely 100% not. They do not have the role of owner. I am the owner. Okay? And Felix, I will message you right now. Because we're talking, but I will never message you normally. I only reply to messages, never sell you anything. Don't do WhatsApp and Telegram and all that nonsense, all that scammy stuff. All right? So beware of that. People come on TikTok and come on the channel all the time and pretend to be me. All right. So anyway, let me message you, Felix, so we can set up your free gig. Ready for your gig. All right. There you go. I've messaged you now, so you'll know it's me. All right. Be very, very wary. There are lots of people, as we grow, they're using it more and more to try and scam people. So please do not get scammed. It's easy to avoid it if you just follow all the rules that I give you. All right. Okay. Ray Thomas, for a mentally incompetent subscriber, please explain the 10% trailing loss. Happily do that. You are a member. I will explain it. Okay. So I just made some money a few moments ago, right? I made free money, easy. Let's look at it right now. Okay. This is Ginkgo Bioworks. It's a stock I don't want to hold forever. It's not a Tesla, it's not a Microsoft, it's not an Apple. It's a biopharmaceutical company. These companies can explode if they get some good news on a trial, or they have a breakthrough, a medical breakthrough. But very often, though, along the way, they will have little moments when they blip up and blip down. People will use these sort of stocks to trend on Reddit, and they'll a bit scammy, you know what I mean? They'll pump it up to dump it. So it's not a stock I want to keep. Thank you very much, Antoine, for your subscription. Appreciate you very much. And it will go up. All of a sudden, it'll explode. Now, that's great. You make money, right? Now then. It's a stock I don't want to hold. I want to make money on it, and I want to sell it. I could just sell it at 48% profit this morning. Brilliant. It went up 48%. Fantastic. Let's sell it. But this stock is pumping right now, or it was earlier. And it's got momentum. And it might continue all day. It might go 50, 60, 70, 100, 200. It can do that. This sort of stock can do that. So I can set myself, just sell it, and it will sell at whatever price I sell it, and I'm done. However many shares I want to sell, all or part, done. Or I can set a stop order. So if it goes below 5% or it goes below $3.80, it will sell. But that's very unresponsive. It's not reacting to the market. So what I like to do is set a stop trail order. And what a stop trail order is, it will trail the price of the stock. And let's say I say, okay, you can sell this stock, all of it or a certain amount, and I allow it to swing by 10%. I allow it to drop 10%. 11%, it would sell it. But the beauty is, it will follow it up. So the 10% is here. 10% is here, 10% is here, 10% is here. Now, after it rises another 10%, I am up where it would have been, if that makes sense. But it could keep going. So my sale continues going up. But I'm always guaranteed, if it suddenly drops, it'll drop by 10%. Now, I was up 48% on a stock that has no reason to be up 48%. And we know it doesn't, but by the sheer fact it's dropped so quickly. There's no breakthrough. Ginkgo Bioworks haven't discovered cancer, the cure for cancer. Nothing has happened. It just got pumped. So it went up 48%. It could have kept going. So rather than just sell it for 48%, I said, all right, I will allow you to drop 10%. Why do I set 10%? Because I look at the swings and see what it does. Over experience, it shows me what the stock will tend to trend, how it goes. And I want just a bit more than that, so it allows me to stay in the stock as long as possible without it selling. But not too much, because if I go, I'm up 48% and I'll set a 48% swing, well, it could go all the way back down before it sells. Well, I don't want to do that, do I? So I set a 10%. But the great thing about it is it might carry on going up. It might carry on going up. So 48% is what I was up this morning. Worst case scenario, it would sell for 38% up. Brilliant. I'm happy. I'm not greedy. I'm not trying to beat the market, make more money than anyone else. I just want to make money and relax and no stress and be happy. So I took 38% and it sold. Now, I didn't sell all of it. I sold half of it because I'm covering both ways. If it goes back up, I've still got 60 shares. If it sells at 38% profit, I've sold 60. No, I sold 60 shares at $1 profit each. I made $60 for doing absolutely nothing. And what I expect to happen is Ginkgo Bio will lose all of that gain, go all the way back down again, and I will buy back in with the $60 that I made, and I'll get free shares. I don't need the money. I will buy $60 worth of shares, so I will own a load of free shares from Ginkgo Bioworks. And that is how a stock trading loss works. Works very, very well. Okay, got it, says Ray Thomas. All right, Malvin, photography, already there. All right, you're on. Is this you, Malvin? Is this you? Over on Discord. Is that you? Is that you? I don't want to just assume it's you because there are people pretending to be you. Okay? It looks like that is you. But I can't do anything for you yet, Malvin, because you haven't taken the leap of faith and become a member. You're not a member on YouTube yet. Here is the invitation to join. Go into a browser and become a member. And I promise you, if you become a member without knowing what I'm going to give you, you will absolutely love me. I promise you. I absolutely promise you, you will absolutely love me. I promise. All right? Now, do you trust me? Do you believe me? This random guy on YouTube, what do you think? It's up to you. What do you think about Enphase? Enphase Energy? Are you kidding? You've never seen my show, right? Enphase Energy. I love Enphase Energy. Enphase Energy is phenomenal. I'm up 65%. Solar is just the beginning. We are just at the beginning of solar. This will run and run and run and run and run. I love it. It doesn't pay a dividend. It's a high growth stock, but I absolutely love it. Very much love Enphase Energy. That's a life-changing bet. AND. What's a life-changing bet? What's a life-changing bet? Enphase Energy? What do you mean by that? CSX doing very well today. Rio Tinto, last day of dividends. Vanguard S&P is coming up. 33, got 33 watching now. If you just come in, subscribe, ring the bell, let us know you're here. At 5,000, we get a big superstar back on our show. Let's have a quick look at where our subscribers are right now. Let's have a quick look. 4257. Whoa! Another 8 subscribers today. We're getting faster and faster and faster. We have a higher engagement rate than Mr. Beast. What I mean by that is people that per view subscribe. Per view subscribe. And per view become a member. Higher than Mr. Beast, by the way. Check it out. Vanguard S&P, Virgin Galactic expecting $8 a share today. Virgin Orbit coming back up again. Tesla doing very, very well today. Expecting to see Tesla go to $900. We got the stock split round the corner. I'm not worried about all this volatility on Tesla at all. Mr. Beast doesn't have channel subs. Doesn't have channel subscriptions. Of course he does. Of course, Mr. Beast has channel subscriptions. Do you mean channel memberships? Yes, he does. He has subscriptions and memberships. What are you on about? He does. He does have memberships. What are you talking about? I'm a member. Yes, he does. And he has channel. He has both. What are you talking about? What are you on about? Of course he does. Oh, man. What are you on about? I'm actually a member of his channel, so there you go. You don't believe me? Mr. Beast is not a human. You're probably right. Join. There you go. There's it. There is his memberships. His membership rate per view is less than mine. Is less than mine. I have a higher engagement rate. And the reason is, and Mr. Beast is the biggest YouTube channel in the world. I'm planning on becoming the best YouTube channel in the world, which will make me the biggest YouTube channel in the world. And the reason for that is I'm always live. You make more money by making videos. Mr. Beast makes millions of dollars a week making videos. I don't do that. I've decided to go live 10 hours a day. And that's what I do. And I give, and also he can't sing. So if Mr. Beast, you're watching this channel, you should call in. And I have the two channels, the music and the money. And together, everything comes together and raises money for charities. This is my music channel. If you've not subscribed to my music channel, have you seen my second message? Let me go and have a look. There's the music channel. Let me go and have a look for you, Malvin. Malvin. Steady on. What's going on? Over on Discord. Yes, it's me, Alvin Photography. Yes, I can see, but you've not joined me on YouTube. You've not become a member on YouTube yet. I keep giving you the link, and I've said to you, I'm going to do something amazing for you if you become a member to my channel, but you've not done it. There is the membership to my channel. If you do that, I promise you, great things are going to happen. Now, do you believe me or not? You got to take a leap of faith. All right? You got to take a leap of faith. Are you prepared to take a leap of faith? Right now, you haven't done it. So I can't help you. Can't help you yet. Virgin Orbit, Tesla, Virgin Galactic, Rivian coming up. We got it now then. Tonight, after hours, Rivian earnings tonight. Who wants to join me for Rivian? Oh, by the way, while we're here, I want to give some more people some more money. Who wants some more money? 198 of you are involved in it so far. Sell before the earnings. What, Rivian? No. No, I'm not doing that. I've got to put everybody on pause on... some obsessed with Mr... Seem obsessed with... No, I'm not obsessed with Mr. Beast at all. Someone on TikTok. Yeah, give me the link. I've given it you like 100 times. Here, I'll give it to you again. You need a browser. Here it is. There is the invitation to join. You need a browser. There's the link. All right? Okay. I just need to pause you a second, guys, on TikTok. Be right back. Seems obsessed with Mr. Beast. What are you on about? Mr. Beast is obsessed with me. It's funny. I'm not obsessed with anyone. I'm only obsessed with going live every day and helping you guys out. I'm obsessed about that. Come on. Don't start crashing on me. Come on. Here we go. Yes. Right, I'm back on TikTok again. All right. Okay. Martyn is Mexican. What are you starting? What are you starting? Has anybody seen the video about Elon Musk in the chicken suit? Has everybody seen that with Rivian's earnings tonight? 199 people. Right, here we go. 199 people. What is your position on Virgin Galactic? I agree with Mr. B's comment from TikTok. Paul B, you would. Mr. Beast is obsessed with me. I knew you'd be controversial. Bloody knew it. Right. Okay. Unbelievable. Right, here we go. 199 people are getting our newsletter for Sunday. We want one more person who wants to get free money on Friday in our Sunday newsletter. Here we go. Here's our email newsletter coming out. Right. I put it in the chat. All you got to do is click on this. But before you do it, though, listen to the rules. Very important. Make sure you verify the email. When you click on that, it'll take you to this link here. You put your email in, nothing more on my secure server. All right? You can unsubscribe at any point, but why would you? Because you'll just lose money. I mean, why would you do that? I mean, it's crazy, right? But what you need to do is verify your email. It always goes into the junk box, always, because it contains the words cash prize draws. So there is the cash prize draw email you're looking for. thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. Make sure you verify the email. If you don't verify it, you won't get the newsletter. Right. Let's go back and read these comments. You look different on your YouTube thumbnail. You look like an Asian kleb or something. What is that? What does that mean? You look different on your video's thumbnail. Well, it is me. It's a picture of me. I mean, look, it's the same picture. You look like some Asian kleb or something. I don't know what that is. Is that nice? I don't know. We only say nice things on this channel, so I'm assuming it's nice. Good morning, Martyn. I've been keeping an eye on AKTS. Could be a future sleeper. All right, top tip. Going, Charlie Bucket. Oh, you're not a member of the channel. You can't share it, can you? Damn it. I wanted you to put that onto Discord, but you can't. You're not a member. Asian celebrity. He means an Asian celebrity. What does that mean? Am I an Asian celebrity? All right. Asian celebrity. You look different. You look like some Asian celebrity. Brilliant. Okay. I'm an Asian celebrity. I like that. I'll take it. I'll take it. I don't mind. Anyway, we had a poll this morning. Would I hit 40, what was it? 45,000. Most of you said yes. I'm at 43.7 right now. So there you go. When I click on this link, I go to your YouTube channel I already subscribed to. Yes, but you become a member. Malvin. Can someone explain to Malvin how to do it? You just become a member. I don't know how to explain it. There's a join button. Have you not seen the join button? Have you not seen the join button? I can't show you it because I'm already a member. But I'm going to have to leave you to work it out for yourself, Malvin. It shows you the link to join. You can do it on a mobile device. You can't do it. I don't believe you can see it on an iPad for some reason. But you see it on a mobile. You see it on a computer. You see it on a laptop. Asian celebrity. That's his weekend gig. Yeah. Asian celebrity. So there you go. Anyway, it's a join, become a member of the channel, Malvin. I don't know why you can't see it. There's no reason why you can't see it. You see everybody with badges after their name. They're all members. I don't see any join button. I don't see any join button. Oh. Well, what do you think about investing in Metaverse? Metaverse, yes, I've got shares in the Metaverse. You will work it out. I promise you'll work it out. This is what I think of the Metaverse. I've got 7 shares, $1,279 worth. I'm up 7.8. I'm not a fan, but I am a fan of making money. I don't think I'd ever use it, to be perfectly honest with you, but I do believe it's got a way to run. I'm not a fan on Facebook. I don't like it. It's very scammy. I wouldn't use the Metaverse, but it has a huge audience and a huge potential for ad revenue, and the Metaverse has huge potential because people will buy all the memes and all the little outfits you can buy for your memes and your whatever. So anyway, I don't think it's a great stock. I'm not going to buy any more. I wouldn't buy it if it went lower. And it's a long-term investment, so I'm just going to hold it. That's what I think about that. Can someone help Malvin? Because all you guys can see things that I don't see because it's my channel, right? Could someone help Malvin? Malvin wants to become a member of the channel because he wants the gift that I'm going to give him, and I am really. But he doesn't know how to join. I've given him the link and he says it doesn't work. Binance Labs has made a strategic investment in Web3 infrastructure provider ANKR. Breaking news from Paul B, our crypto guy. If you are a member, by the way, over on Discord, Malvin, and who was it earlier? Oh yeah, Felix. If you scroll to the bottom of the channel, you can see that I've just opened the broadcast lounge. You can call in. If you want to call in, look. Malvin, sorry, Felix, because you are a member on YouTube now. See the broadcast lounge down the bottom here? You can actually call in. All right, look, you can actually call into the show. And that's how people call in, have their say. If you want to call in and say hello to the world, you can. You don't need to be on video. You don't need to do any of that stuff. You can actually call in and be on the show, like many of our people have done in the past. All right. Okie dokie. Whoops. Right, day trader of the day. It's a competition we run every morning, and we do it every afternoon as well. I've just been asked, what do I think of Rivian's earnings? Rivian, I don't really care, because I'm up 47% on this stock. It's going to be a $50 stock. I'm 100% sure of that in 2 or 3 years' time. I'm just holding it. I'm not buying any more. I'm not adding to it. I don't know what Rivian's going to do. I expect, because it's another EV, I expect supply constraints to affect it. I do think it will drop, but I'm not trading it. I'm just holding it. So I'm not really bothered. I know I'm going to be up. I'm not going to lose money on it ever again. I'm holding it long term. I believe the Rivian deal is not the trucks, though. Everyone's obsessed with trucks in America. It's nothing to do with trucks. No one cares about trucks outside of America. It's to do with the deal with Amazon. That is where the money is. That is where the money is. Yes, I'm up 100% today on ANKR. Congratulations to you. Right, day trader of the day. Oh, well. Oh, you will lose your money. You're not safe. Up 40%. Sorry. Oh, here we go again. Of course I am. Of course I am. Right, 100%. Right. If you want to be in our if you want to be in our free prize draw tomorrow, it's free to enter, free for all. Have you subscribed and rung the bell? Have you give me a like? If you haven't given me a like, boo to you. All right, boo to you. Right. How many people now are in our newsletter? 199. Let me refresh the screen. We now have got, it's going out to 199. Nobody else signed up for it today. All right. I've got the Queen of Self-Braiding is sponsoring this week's newsletter. Thank you, Queen. Your message will go to 199 people, unless it goes up between now and Sunday. We shall find out. Right, it's time for Day Trader of the Day to find out who our top trader is. Are you ready? So here is our quick commercial break. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Are you ready? Here we go. And I'm back. Mexico actually has a large number of Ford trucks. Don't start me on that. All right. Canada uses trucks a lot. Yeah, it might do. But a lot of people in America think the whole world is America. And I'm calling in tomorrow. Only if you're a member by tomorrow. If you carry on like this, I'm going to ban you. So you got to be a member. You are a member. Darn it. I'd like to own a fire truck. There you go. I want to own a fire truck. A big, fat American fire truck. Have you? Hey, Paul, seriously, mate. Fire trucks in America are nothing like fire engines in England. Fire engines in England are a little red van with a ladder on the top and a bell. Good old Fireman Sam. Not in America, mate. In America, they're not even called fire engines. They're called fire trucks. And fire trucks are very different. They're like theme parks. They've got things all over spinning around. They're all polished up. They're like how can I explain it? They're like flipping, they're like Harley Davidson, all covered in chrome, but they have spinny things. And if they're not big enough and loud enough with flashing lights, they have a little windmill. You remember when you were a kid and you blew on a little windmill, it spun around and you stick it in the garden? They have one of those on the front grille of the fire truck. As if the fire truck wasn't big enough, loud enough, flashing lights, they put this little kid's windmill on the front. It's hilarious. It's like, people can see you coming. Trust me, they can see. I tell you what, they're amazing. They're like they're all polished. They look amazing. In England, we have fire engines like Fireman Sam. We tug down the road. All we're interested in doing is putting out the fire. In America, fire trucks, they're like, here comes the circus, right? It's amazing. You've never seen anything like it until you've seen a fire truck in America. Up close, you'll go, oh my God, that is amazing. It's amazing. They're Mack trucks. Let's have a look. For a second, I thought live had ended. No, No, it hadn't. Nothing's ended. Nothing ever ends. They only drive in straight lines. They don't make anything that can't turn. That's right. It's right. That's right. And do you know how you know that? Do you know how you know that? Bob the Builder fire truck. There you go. Bob the Builder. Can you fix it? Bob the Builder. Yes, I can. Yeah, I'll tell you something really funny, right? Day trader of the day. We got to do that now, all right? Because my portfolio is crashing right now. It's terrible. I'm losing all my money. Oh, by the way, I didn't look at Johnson & Johnson, did I? Where's Johnson & Johnson, by the way? Johnson & Johnson. Oh, there you go. There you go. Johnson & Johnson went down 4% and I bought it and now I'm up. See, told you. Brilliant. Anyway, just very, very quickly, what was I going to say about that? About the fire trucks. Damn it. Oh, what was I going to... So important. What was it I'm going to say about the fire trucks? What was I saying? I need to rewind the video and listen to myself. That's annoying. I said about how big it was. Flashing lights, all covered in chrome. Oh, yeah, that's right. You know, you were saying about driving straight lines. You can tell that from their driving test. I did an advanced driving course in England, and I also did advanced driving on motorcycle. I did with an outrider from the RAF, so I can really drive a car and whatever. What do I know? But I had an advanced driving test, right? I came to America, and they don't have sticks. Everyone's got automatics. So first of all, you don't use the gears. And especially in Texas, where I live, all the roads are straight. You just go straight. There's no swaying around. There's no changing the gears, powering into the corners. None of that. It's automatic, going in straight lines. And I found that out when I took my driving test. American driving test in Texas is hilarious. I really wanted to make sure I'd pass and 100% and be really good because I'm proud of my driving. I'm an advanced driver, and I went along. And I did my driving test in Dallas, and the guy said, right, pull out of the car park. I pulled out the car park. I drove around, came back. He went, that's it. I said, what do you mean, that's it? He said, you passed. I said, I didn't go. I just drove around the car park. He went, well, that's it. I went, you're kidding me. That's it. No wonder everyone's crashing and suing everybody for car accidents. That's it. So you drive on straight lines. You drive with an automatic. And you pass a test for just going around the court, just drive. You say, well, that's our driving test. I said, that's not a driving test. That's a turn up and pass. I mean, that's not a driving test. And I was so stressed and worried. I wanted to get 100%. I studied it for ages. I got 100% on the 100% on the theory, and I thought that was it. I couldn't believe it. I said, don't you want to test me? Do a 3-point turn. He said, we don't do a 3-point. I said, I want to reverse. I want to do a hill start with my gears. I'm really good at hill starts. I come from Cornwall where all the hills are like that. And I can do a hill start with my gears and I can control the car. So you can't. It's an automatic. And there's no hills. And it's straight lines. And I went, well, so anyway, in New Jersey, it's not like that. Yeah, see, in New Jersey, it's a bit like England, right? You got roundabouts and you've got hills and tell me somebody has a manual car. But in America, in Texas, it's just like driving a fridge. You just aim it in a straight line and just go. And that's all you do anyway. Anyway, it's funny. So anyway, day trader of the day right now. Day trader of the day. Is GlaxoSmithKline available on the US stock market? Yes, I bought it. Yes, it is. Massive drop recently. Could be worth keeping an eye for a long-term hold. Sorry, off topic. No, it's not off. Yeah, sorry. Off topic, talking about shares. Yeah, do chat. And you just subscribed to this. You just paid good money. He just paid good money for stock tips, and all he's got is some guy talking about driving a fridge down through Texas. I don't know why you subscribed. But, do chat. What can I say? You know it's the best channel in the world. You know it. Right, okay. Let's have a look. Yes, GlaxoSmithKline, GSH, DSK, GSK. I own money on it. I bought shares on it. The reason why I'm interested, or was interested in this, is it has potentially the cure for cancer. Have you seen this? Right, GSK brought a news out. It was on Sky News that GSK has a potential for cancer. But right now, it's awful. It has a good dividend too. Yep, look at that. Oh, yes, yes, yes. That is good. GSK, that's like what's happening with Johnson & Johnson. JSK, huge drop. Let's have a look. It's probably to do with earnings. Available? No, it's not. No, it's not. Their earnings are okay. It's a hold and buy, never sell. Why is that sold? It has a great dividend, 6% yield. It's fallen off a cliff. That'll be to do with price restraints. And thanks for alerting me to this. Thank you for alerting me to this. What have I paid before for this? Where's my history? GSK PLC. There should be history here. Why can I not see my history? Earnings, people own, margin, 25%. Where is it? Why have I not? I've owned this before. Why am I not showing history? I wonder if it's because it's an ADR company. It's a British company. I wonder. ADR, by the way, do you want to know what ADR stands for? American Depository represents shares of non-US based companies. Okay, that's what that stands for. So yes, you can buy it. Down 8. What's the news? What is the news? 52-week low, 34. Looking at this, let's work together. What's the news, Duchak? You want to learn? You want to learn? Go to Philly. This guy. This is where all the crazy drivers tailgating. The Queen celebrating Maryland. This is the truck channel. Last night, Ethereum testnet's going to merge into state. Yes, we'll merge it next month. Yes, Charlie Bucket, you got to build into New York. Right. We need to research quickly. GSK. When do you day trade? I've traded twice today already. I bought in and sold Ginkgo Bioworks. GSK. GSK news. We're looking at this right now. What's the news today? Why is the stock down like this? Press release. Okay, I accept your flipping 3rd of August. Look above. It's to do with them being sued for the Zantac drug, I think, is it? Announces to repurchase exchangeable senior notes. GSK is planning offering purchase for cash and all of its outstanding. Okay. But that happens to Johnson & Johnson all the time, by the way. Been there plenty, and you win 100%. Personally, I love it because I'm ultra aggressive. Charlie Bucket, look above. GSK, I like that. This company's been around since 1999. Is that all? Oh, that's the US. It's been around longer than that. This is just how you buy it in the US. Let's have a look. Looking at the news right now. Hallion not a party to US integration for Santec. London Reuters mostly. Let me have a look. Right, GSK confirms rotavirus vaccine shortage hits 4 African countries. Confirms rotavirus vaccine shortage. Disruptions to services. But that's temporary, though. That's temporary. August 10th, this was yesterday. GSK confirms rotavirus vaccine shortage. Let me share that with you a bit clearer. There you go. Hits 4 African countries. After disruptions at GSK, supplies of rotavirus infection vaccine in children have either run out in Kenya, Tanzania, Senegal, and Cameroon, or are close. According to the World Health Organization, WHO equals China. Let me have a look. GSK. Let's go back to the trading screen. Keep that straight for you guys. Oh, 5-year low. What am I feeling about this? I'm giving this some thought. GSK. Has anybody ever had shares in this? I want to look for GSK dividends. GSK dividends. Has it been paying out its dividends? Hold on. Have they sold off Hallion? Hold on. We're all researching it together now. Let's have a look. I'm looking at the announcement date, 1st of February. Dividend timetable for Q4. Dividend timetable for Q3. January 22. So April. It pays quarterly. Announcement date. It pays quarterly, so it pays it in every quarter. So where are we now? November, March, November, January. Hold on. Have they sold Halion? Let's have a look. Halion not a party to US litigation. Focus on Zantec. We're just studying this for the minute. We'll come back to it in a second. But I might buy 25 shares of GlaxoSmithKline. The overall portfolio is diving at the moment. It does this every this time of the day. Rio Tinto, okay. S&P, fine. Virgin Galactic's fine. Virgin Orbit, I've got to buy it at 325. Tesla. Rivian. Okay, Lucid. Polestar. Arrival. Amazon. Arrival still going down. I'm not buying any more. I'm not going to chase my money. I'm not going to sell out either. Amazon. Apple. Bit of a mid-morning sell-off. Coke. Johnson & Johnson. Very, very nice. I took a 4% loss down to tip 1.6 now. Very, very good. Google, come back up as well. Microsoft. Meta. We're getting a look at the market. Predictions on arrival after earnings. Predictions on arrival. Predictions on arrival. Arrival was this morning. It was terrible. It was all to do with... I think Arrival has got financial problems now. I love what they're doing. I don't think it's... I think it should be a small part of your portfolio. I think you don't need to own that much. It's been successful in what it's doing, but I think you need to control how much you invest in it. Protect yourself. Don't get too much. I'm not buying any more if it goes lower. I'm not chasing it down or chasing it up. I'm just sitting there on it and having patience and waiting. I don't want to throw any more money at it. I also don't want to sell out and get my money out either. I haven't got a small amount. I haven't got a big amount. I've only got 0.9% of 1%. So it's okay. I think it will do exactly what Canoe did. Second same situation. It dived after earnings, didn't it? If you saw Canoe's earnings, it dropped and then it came back up again. So I am okay with owning it. I'm not going to buy any more. I don't want to chase it. I don't want to get all excited about it. But there you go. We are just looking in now. Duchak, are you still looking? Predictions on arrival after earnings. That's what my thoughts are. I'm watching GSK. I need to do some more research off air, but I am interested in that now. Right. We haven't done day trader of the day yet. We've missed out for some reason. We need to do that now. Glaxo now owns a 68% stake in Halion. It's a joint venture partner. Pfizer, $0 billion debt. Oh, sorry. Pfizer, 10 billion debt. Glaxo, can you rewrite that? I'm not sure exactly what you're saying. Glaxo now owns 68% stake in Halion. It's a joint venture partner with Pfizer. 10 billion of debt. Okay, they've just bought Halion, have they? What? And they've gone in with Pfizer. GSK confirms, right. It's a spin-off. Okay. Yes. Okay. So why has the share price dropped dramatically if they've acquired that company? Is it because of the amount of debt they've got on their books? I need to look at it in more detail. Right. Let's do day trader of the day a second, first of all. Let's bring everybody up to date with a quick commercial break, and then we'll do day trader of the day, and we're still keeping our eye on GSK. So here we go. Here we go. Right back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, here we go. It's day trader of the day. Go to your main portfolio. I was doing very, very well, but I'm not concerned, not worried at all. I sold this morning. I sold my, sold half my shares of Ginkgo Bioworks. Made some money. Looks a bit risky. Worth a look, maybe though. I know. I agree with you. I agree with you. All right, so let's do day trade of the day. When the first person posts their score, we'll put a minute clock on. Down 0.12%. There we go. Just down slightly from a very good positive start to the day. Catalyst Farm has done well this week after earnings, Logan says. Thank you. All right, okay, so here we go. Let's give you a 1 minute on the clock when the first person posts, and let's see how we go. I am down just 0.09. It's getting slightly better. Starting to recover. Paul B looking very good. Paul B is obviously invested in a lot in crypto, and they're doing. We know crypto market is doing very well at the moment. So 2.85. Okay, here we go. 1 minute on the clock. I said, chicky, bow, bow. Which broker do I use? Robinhood. If you're from the US and you come and join me on YouTube, I'll give you a referral link to it. You get free stocks, and I'll share with you what I get as well. Right. Down today for me. Paul is up 2.85, up 1.28. So Paul, when did you last win day trader of the day? It's been a long time, right? Looks like you might win today. Up 1.35. That's coming from Queen of Celebrating. Queen of Celebrating, thank you very much indeed. You are sponsoring our newsletter on Sunday. Thank you very much indeed. If anybody would like to sponsor next week's newsletter, you can, but just $10 right now is all it costs. Because of the amount of readers that we have, it's 5 cents a reader. It looks like the winner is Paul B. Whoa. Logan is up 0.65, now 2.93. Daniel is up 0.28. The Church of Logic has taken it at the last second, 3.25. Paul B. I was just about to say Paul B had won, and then the Church, and then Dexter Sickles, 4.28. Why is everybody so behind? What's going on? Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up, and here come the sound effects. There we go. Crypto exchanges are getting crazy day by day. Yes, I'm waiting with my big bucket to pick it up. Dexter, congratulations to you. Dexter Sickles, very, very nice indeed. There you go. Very good. Well done. Congratulations to you. Very, very well done indeed. And I want to thank our members today for coming into the channel today. We got I think 4 new members today. I think one of a record-breaking day. Please take advantage of all your perks and benefits. They're there to help you grow online. There to give you benefits. There to help you. And so please do take advantage of all of those things. Like Jamsey can go any lower. Depends which crypto exchanges you use. If you know, Dexter, I'm down. I think he says. Seb Dean, how are you? Right, we started off very, very well today, and we've had a bit of a drop. But Virgin Galactic now comfortably holding above $7. I'm very happy. $10,000 worth of it again. GSK, we've been looking at buying it this morning, but we're holding at the moment. Don't rush into it. This is a great company, but something has happened. It's gone back 5 years, and it's still falling, but it pays a great dividend. But remember, dividends aren't guaranteed. It's not like you just buy it for the dividends. Everyone's sold out. Is this company in trouble? So there you go. What should I do? Having shares in Snap? Oh my God. Oh no. Snap is awful. Hate Snap. Snap is Hate to say that, but Snap is a child's plaything. When we saw Snap have its disastrous earnings, YouTube, Google, Facebook, they all reacted. People don't know what they're investing in because they compared Snap to YouTube and Google and Facebook, and they're not. It's not. There's nothing proprietary about Snap. Snap is awful. Snap can go to zero. Snap is like Netflix. Netflix can go to zero in a heartbeat. People can unsubscribe, unuse the app, delete the app. It doesn't do anything. People aren't advertising on it. I wouldn't be in Snap for all the money in China. I would sell even at a loss. I mean, it depends on your overall position. I get that, but I wouldn't be in Snap at all. That's just my opinion. I think Snap could be gone. It's like MySpace, could disappear tomorrow. No gold. The golden ticket. I got the golden ticket. I want the golden ticket. Charlie Bucket's getting upset. I didn't do the golden ticket for Charlie Bucket. Unbelievable. No golden ticket today. No golden ticket today. What's going on? And, well, do you know what, Charlie Bucket? You're not a member. So you know what I mean? You know, you don't get all the perks and the benefits. You don't support these live shows. I don't even know why I even do it at all. How many days am I going to do this before you actually become a member and then get all the benefits that we give you? I don't know. And the golden ticket song has got to be a benefit, right? I'd say it as. What do you think? Is the golden ticket a perk to being a member? I'd say it as. Apparently Zantac is causing cancer. Are they trying to cover their back somehow by creating a spin-off? I don't know. I don't know either. Snapchat owner to lay off staff after receiving tax incentive to create other jobs. Luckily, I don't have many shares in it at all. No, I wouldn't own it, Logan. I'm sorry that you own shares in that. By the way, what is that on the screen? What is that picture? What is your icon? What is that? It's like some sort of mushroom, some sort of algae. Not algae. Some sort of toadstool, or is it truffles, or some kind of weird plant? Or should we not talk about it? I don't know what it is. Let me know if you can, what that is. GSK, yeah. I nearly bought some this morning, but I'm like, just because something's cheap, it doesn't mean it's great. I am a member. No, you're not. Charlie Bucket, you're not a member. Ginger. Oh, yeah, ginger. That's it. Oh, yeah, that's... I was thinking... When I was saying ginger, I was thinking garlic. Garlic. Charlie Bucket, you're not a member. Looks like a root ginger. Dave Mottram, where you been? Have you been here the entire time? Sneaking around. Oh, he's not a member anymore. Ah, he's not a member. I got to take him off all the stuff now. He's not a member anymore. What's going on? Charlie Bucket. You're not a member, Charlie Bucket. You're not a member of the channel. You're not. You're not. You got no badge. Ginger root. There we go. It's a ginger root. There you go. There you go. There's the invitation to join. Why in Dave Mottram? Unbelievable. Times are tough, but come on, guys. What's going on here? Rio Tinto. Fossilite. Charlie Bucket says, I'm a member. I'm going, no, you're not. No, you're not. All right. Vanguard S&P is up 0.48. Don't forget, all members, you get celebration on your birthday. You have fundraiser gigs. If you become like our guest today, I was going to do something special with him and promote his YouTube channel, even though all he had to do was become a bronze member. But he's having trouble signing up for it. But we are still hopeful. We are still hopeful. Anyway, I've got to go. I've been here since 7 o'clock this morning, which is 4 hours. 4 hours non-stop streaming. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Over on TikTok, how you doing? How much money you make in 1 year? How much money do you make? I love the way people just come in and don't say hello. They just go, how much money do you make? Give me free money. How much money have I made? All right, do you want to have a look at my portfolio? All right, I'll show you my portfolio. This is my real money, my real shares, my real position. And I started out with $5,000. $5,000. And as you can see, I'm at 43,000 right now. This is my real shares, my real money, my real positions. I've traded it live every day in front of the whole world to see, so I can't make it up. There it is. All right. All right. Dave Mottram, got 49 Rio shares. Now, hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. Let me have a look at Rio Tinto. Today's the last day. Is that right, guys? Can you just confirm with me? Is today the last day to get in on Rio Tinto? Oh, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'm not buying any more anyway. I've got enough. I've got enough. If you get in today, by the way, guys, it's last chance. I think it's today, isn't it? Can someone just confirm to me, is today the last day to get in to get your dividend stocks? I think it is. I think it is. I think it is. Gas, I'm in your live, says GAAS. It's got a little dog. He's over on Discord. He says, apparently he's in my live show. I don't know if he's in or not, but he says he's in. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Sending me some interesting messages over there on Discord. Yesterday was the last day. You needed to hold by the opening bell today. Oh, okay. Anyway, I'm glad it's up today. You needed to hold by the opening bell today. So it's good that it's going up because it could have gone down. The fact it's going up today is good because what normally happens is people buy in just before and then sell today and get out the market. Well, obviously they want to keep it. Emilio, hi everyone. I hope I have a green day for everyone. Emilio Sanchez, how are you, Emilio? What's it going on? What's it going on? How are you today? How are you? Good to have you here. Right, let me do a little poll. I want to see how many people in the chat right now. Do you receive the weekly... Excuse me. Receive the free weekly all right. Do you receive the free weekly cash newsletter? Yes or no? It goes out on Sunday. And tomorrow is our cash prize draw. I want to know, do you receive it? I want to see how many people in the show right now actually receive our weekly cash newsletter with all my tips and all my cash prize draws. Let's see how many people in the chat right now actually receive that. Let's have a look. Okay. I'm going to end the show right after this. I'm going to take a break. I've been going all day. Virgin Orbit looking very, very nice. Tesla's coming back up again. Rivian, tonight's earnings. Oh, and by the way, who's joining me for the earnings tonight? Anybody? Anybody? Let me give you the link to the earnings tonight. Rivian's earnings. Very, very important earnings tonight. Rivian's earnings. It's on my blog page. And Rivian. Okay, here it is. So, here is the Rivian earnings. If you want to be involved in tonight's Rivian earnings, and you want to be there, it's after hours tonight, after the closing bell. There is the link. There's the link, look. If you click on that, you'll come to this page on my website. HTTPS, secure website, you're all good. This is my Rivian earnings blog page. Click on the video right there, look. Click on the video right there, and it'll bring you to the video, and you can put a like on it. And if you do it through my blog, I'm hoping to rank on Google #1 for Rivian earnings. I'm ranking now on YouTube. I want to rank on Google. I rank #1 on Rivian earnings on YouTube, by the way. And if you just put a like on it, it really helps. See it, look? That's tonight's show. Rivian earnings live. Okay, there it is. Rivian earnings live. Give it a like. If you click on the link I just gave you in the chat, it'll take you to there, and you can be in the Rivian earnings tonight. Join us live. And I'll come back in a minute and see if I've got any more likes. And then we're going to end the show. Right, let's have a look. We've got only 3 people have voted. So two of you get the newsletter, 1 of you don't. Why don't you get it? Don't you want free money? If you don't get it and you want it, just let me know and I'll tell you how you can get it. It's free and you can get free money. I don't know why you wouldn't get it. All right. Okay, we're going to wrap up today's show with an extended show. Arrival earnings was a disaster this morning, but it's going to come back up again. Let me show you where we are. This is Arrival. It's gone down. I'm down 5%. I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it lower. I'm not doing that. I'm not going to throw any more money at it. I don't care how cheap it gets. This is as cheap as it ever gets. If it goes below this, it's going to go bankrupt. Seriously, they are running out of money. They are struggling. I'm not going to sell out. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt. I like what they're doing. I don't think it's going to go bust, but I'm not going to chase it down. I don't need to own any more. It's as cheap as it needs to be right now. This company does not need to be. You don't need to buy it any cheaper than this. If this is not cheap enough for you, you shouldn't be in it. Don't buy it if it's like 1 cent or anything like that. That means it's going to go bankrupt, okay? So I'm going to hold this now, but I'm certainly not selling it. But we made some money today. We did a trade on Ginkgo Bioworks. It went up 48%. I sold half of my shares. I stopped trade or loss. And how does one get it? Get what? How does one get what? What do you want to get? I love the way people just assume I know what they're asking. How does one get it? Get what? What do you want to get? What is it you want to get? All right. We're going to wrap up today's show. Oh, the newsletter. Oh, I've explained it. Every Sunday, my newsletter goes out. Here it is. Here's the newsletter. It's in the chat right now. It's below every one of my videos. Always below the videos. It tells you in the ticker running along the bottom of the screen. But there is the newsletter link. It's my email newsletter link. I do it every single Sunday. We'll do our draw tomorrow morning. So you need to be in it. There you go. There it is. Once you click on that, it'll come to this page here. You'll see this page here. All right. And then all you do then is put your email in. It will send you a verification email. And it always goes into the junk box because it contains the word cash prize draw. So this is the email you're looking for. thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. There it is. There it is. And there is your newsletter, and you can sign up for it, and I'll tell you when you've done it, and you will receive the email on Sunday with all our free prize draws in. I do it every single Sunday. Newsletter, free money. Yeah. I've sent it to you now. I've just given it to you. I think you're a bit behind my stream, so that's why you're getting the information just a second or two behind. All right, welcome back, Uganda Wildlife Society. Ugandan Wildlife Society, welcome back to you. We have to do your fundraiser. I want to talk to you on Discord. We want to set up your fundraiser event. Please talk to me on Discord. Send me a message and let's get your fundraiser lined up. You've made enough friends now on the channel. Here is the Discord. I know you're already on there, but send me a message and let's set up your fundraiser. Welcome, Ugandan Wildlife Society. Thank you for being part of our family. We want to help you. I love nothing more than the wildlife. Brilliant fundraiser. I can't wait to do that. Finish off the day, red or green, Martin. Let's have a look. Let's have a little look at it. Let's have a look. This is my portfolio. Red or green day. Well, why is everything selling off now? There's no reason for this. What do I actually think? Inflation peaked. We've got a lot of stocks now. A lot of volatility on the market. I'm looking at Virgin Galactic right now. I'm looking at Virgin Orbit. Tesla is selling down. That shouldn't be happening because mainly that's happening now as a reaction to people worried about Elon Musk shares, but that shouldn't be a concern. I think hopefully he'll win the case and he'll come back and buy back in. He said he will. I'm not worried about Tesla. The stock split is going to be good. That's a good catalyst. Rivian's earnings isn't going to be great, but it'll be okay. I might not quite get to green today, but I will tomorrow. There's a few things today that are bouncing back, but might not come until tomorrow. Thank you 420 for the subscription. Thank you. Arrival disaster today. That's losing me money, but not much. I'm not buying more. I'm not chasing it. Amazon's giving back. Apple's giving back. I think I'm gonna put my neck on the line, and I'm gonna say I'll be green. I'm gonna say green. Yeah, you agree. You agree that I'll be green tomorrow. Yeah, I think it could take a day, but I overall, if I had to say, I think it's going to be right on the line, to be honest with you. But the fact I'm only down 1.22 at 8 minutes to 11, I think that there's going to be a bit of buying into the close. I think it's very close to call. I'll be green tomorrow, I'm sure, but I do think that today it'll be right on the wire. If I'm in the black, it'll be by, the green by the smallest amount. So it's virtually a wash. But if I had to pick it, I will go green. But it's right on the line. I'm going to go green. There you go. Right, how many people? 8 out of 10 get the cash free newsletter. Awesome stuff. Let me see if my friend just signed up for it. As we end the show right now, 199. Let me refresh it. See if we got to 200 today. Yes, 200. We did. Someone just signed up for our newsletter. You'll get it on Sunday. The 56 people haven't verified it. Way too many people that haven't listened to what I said and followed the rules. 56 that will never receive the newsletter. Anyway, I'm going to end the show right there. So we're keeping an eye on GSK. Bit of a worry. But I'm not in it. I'm not in it at all at the moment. Yeah, it's a mid-morning sell-off. I'm not really overly concerned with the volume or the way it's looking. Let's check our crypto the other end. Right. Okay, I'm going to get off. I've got to put the arrival earnings out and tidy that up for you. So I'll do that. But anyway, it's time to get off. All we need to do now is I need someone to say the magic words. Someone to say the magic words. Thank you ever so much, everybody who followed me over there on... yes, you were 200. You were 200. I never shared it on the screen. I need someone to give me the magic words. You all know what the magic words are. There you go. You were number 200. So basically, this is what will happen at Logan Pizza on Sunday at 8 a.m. Central Time, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, 2 p.m. GMT. I'm not sure where you are in the world. You will receive our newsletter. And in our newsletter, there are always 2 cash giveaways. One is a video to watch. It's one of my YouTube videos that you watch anyway. It tells you which one to watch. Leave a comment, leave a like. You have to watch the whole video. That's very often, they're very short videos. If you don't, it doesn't pick you up. The algorithm won't pick you up. I will then select a winner on Friday and pay out a cash prize. I do it every single Friday. Every single Friday I've never missed, no matter what happens, all right? And also it gives you the link if you want to be a subscriber to Twitch. Excuse me, I've got an itchy eye. A subscriber to Twitch, and every month using your Amazon Prime, which is absolutely free, I give away the subscriber cash as well. And that's what I do. Plus it gives all my top tips and some news on the stocks, and that's when you'll get it. And I do the draw every Friday. So you'll see the draw happen tomorrow morning in the opening bell, which is about an hour and a half before now, tomorrow. And you'll see that, and you'll see how we do it. And then you'll see on Sunday when you get the email, look out for it. Be one of the first to reply and one of the first to enter the draw. And next Friday, you'll be in the draw. And if you're not in the show, you won't be included. You have to be in the show to win. And that's why it's a very good chance of winning, because you have to do all the steps. And a lot of people either, as you see, don't verify the email, so they won't even get it. Some people don't open it. Some people that do open it don't click on the video. Ones that do click on the video might not watch the whole thing. They might not leave a comment. And then, of course, you've got to be in the show on Friday. If you do all those things, you have a very, very good chance of winning. All right, so there you go. Roll those credits. Okay, it's time to end up the show. Let's go. I'm a little bit tired today. We did a 4-hour show. That's very long. That's like ridiculous, like, isn't it? Absolutely mental how ridiculous that is. Right, let's see who became a member, who subscribed, who did all some wonderful stuff for us today. Roll those credits. Where's me roll the credits gone? There it is. Here, let's have a look. Shidooby-hoo. Charlie Bucket just became a member. Hey! Right at the top of the show. If you'd have done that 10 seconds earlier, you'd have been on the list of our members. What a shame. Did it come up? No, you just missed the list. You did it 10 seconds late. Oh, no. What a shame. Charlie Bucket just missed out. Anyway, moderators. Nobody moderated. Everyone was good today. In the super chat, we only had one tip today, the Church of Logic. Thank you to the Church of Logic for giving me a tip. More followers over on Twitch. Egon CJ became a Twitch follower today. I don't know if they became a subscriber to it. Be absolutely great if you did, because then you'll actually be in our prize draw every month for free. But what about here on YouTube? Here on YouTube, let's have a look. Who became a subscriber today? 4-Wheel Drive, Maple Life, Abbas Mustafa, No, Moj, Rocket Punch X, Anton Powell, Dave H, 420, Ven 2. Look at that. And that's a record number of public subscribers. Many of you may not be public and it didn't see you, but there you go. Church of Logic says, see you this afternoon. Charlie Bucket, come back this afternoon and I will upgrade you on Discord and give you all the benefits that you get as a member. You get many perks, birthday celebrations, but you can communicate now live in the show. What about members today? Members today was a world record for our channel as well. We had more members join today. Make sure that you come back, Charlie, and I'll upgrade you this afternoon. But look at the members today. Look at the members today. We got Felix Comarel, Daniel Smith, Do Chat, Uganda Wildlife Society, and just after the credits was Charlie Bucket. Come back this afternoon, Charlie. I'll upgrade you. That's it. Take care of yourselves and each other.